Welcome back, family. What's everybody up to? How's everything going tonight? Welcome back to the night shift, guys. My name is Brad. I am your host in the chair behind the mic with you for the next 4 hours. Hope you're having a wonderful time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself on this big, beautiful world. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. I know I am, now that I'm back here with you guys. I had a brutal trading day today. It was a rough day recovering from the holidays, from work and trading all mixed together. I only traded the Top Step account, and I did not go well. I got chopped. I was trying to, basically, I missed this whole run up. And then when we dipped down in here, I started buying. And then I bought more, and then I bought more, and then I blew up the account. The Combine. No funded accounts, just the Combine. Flipped my last take profit accounts today, just now. So these should be funded tomorrow night after the market closes. So sometime Thursday morning, maybe these will be ready to go. These two take profit 50Ks here. Alpha Trader is back up and running. It's taken several days. They took it offline completely for a couple of days. I will say it's functioning a little bit more smoothly right now. I have 4 accounts with them. One of them is a funded account. The PREMQ. A QA is, I guess, a qualified account is what they call it. I don't know. The EV is the evaluation. This evaluation here, the 47401, is the one that passed and is now this, but they haven't taken it off my dashboard. So it looks like I have 5 accounts. There's an eval here, eval here, eval here, funded account. And they're supposed to be giving me another 50K eval for free for all of the trouble that they've had this week. So I should end up with 5 accounts from them, only having purchased 3 of them. So that's kind of cool. This one, I'm probably this funded account here, I'm probably not going to trade tonight on the stream. I am working on 644, which is a brand new evaluation. It's the one that's currently active. This is the one that, this was a gift. This is a gift account from Alpha Futures for all of the crap that their traders have experienced trading on the Alpha Trader platform. So everything in here tonight is just going to be me trading Alpha Futures. I had the trading view up with a paper account loaded up, not going to be touching my next gen account. I've got all of the levels on both platforms, the DD band, the overnight hedge pressure. Monthly hedge pressure is way down there on NQ. On the ES, we're sitting right on top. We opened right on top of hedge pressure. We're just pivoting around it right now. I am currently in a short on this eval on this Alpha Futures account. I'm short from, tickled that wick right there. Short from 30.48. Got in, I don't know, somewhere back over here somewhere. And just targeting some of these lows down in here. Potentially like a retest of like 20, the 30,000 level basically is what I'm looking for. About 50 points. That'd be great on that trade. Let me get into the chat before we get any further. You guys smash that like button. We have eight, count them, 8 accounts to give away to you guys tonight. Smash that like button. The like giveaway, or the giveaways all start after we hit 400 likes. I am Trey D. What's going on? Mark Frank in Tokyo. Changed your name. Trading futures all day. Reagan Durat. What's going on? Virtus Inc. Iron Pigeon Investing. Shuri. USMC. 03111. Fair QT. Kapil. Eva Trades. What's going on? Eva Trades, did you make it into the top 30? on the Ninja Trader. Did we have any rocket scooter people in the top 30 on the second qualifier today? I never saw the update. Papa Les, what's going on? What's going on? Polly V93. Shacky Brown, what's up? Vij Mouth Hugged. Trader Lodi. Brian B Dog. Duarte Machado. What's going on? What's up, Slacks? Kurt King, Football Wise Guy. Andrew Trades. Who else we got in here? Sherry Osman. Very cool. Jason Cruz. What's going on? We're just chopping around right now. Kind of a little of a tough predicament we're in right now. 40 Ounce Gaming. Oh, Wifa. Janice Mendiolo. The Profit Guru. Coach Greg. Gringo Loco. Day Trader Gaming. Nasus Trades. Sonkado. Swooner. Jay Woods, what's up? What's up? Alternator. WFO. Abel Benitez. Motherload. Trading for Progress. JJ Redbird. Skydoc. Dave Mack, what's up? Matt Evans, what's going on? Johnny Guapo. Didn't lose any accounts today. Well done, buddy. Well done. Bearded Trader, what's going on? Sovereignty. Truck with Mick had a great trading day. Nice. I can't wait to hear about it. Wags Graham, how you doing? Kyle, what's up? Hope you in the short. I am. I don't know what that message is because I don't read. What is that? Hebrew or Greek? I don't know what that is. Coach Greg, what's up? I'm Marshaw. E Miniman, Double Keto. Trading Mindset. Where else we got? We got a bunch in there. Icy Hawk, The Gold, Farina Ballerina, of course. Bori Quant, more on Wall Street. Cizo DeCenzo, Phineas, Toasty, what's up? Ed Bogus, KDY, WFO, KC11115. Owen Flashy, Boston US, Andrew, It's Burns Trades, Knox Nostalgia. Thunder Donkey. Martin Walker, Dennis Ronan. Christy Naya, Rogue of the Lamb, Bank Robber Trading, Balaji Trades, and MP Platinum. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Hope you had a great trading day today. I blew up the Top Step Combine I was working on yesterday. It's the only thing I traded today. I had so much work to do at my job. I've got to remind myself that the beginning of the work week when I'm in the office is probably not the best time for me to be trading. Those are the times I feel like I have the worst trading days when I have to focus so much. I have so many meetings. I'm talking to people back to back and just trying to catch a glimpse of the chart here and there is not the way I should be trading. So that's the way I'm just kind of, on my journey here trading and trying to figure out how to hold down a job and trade prop firms all at the same time. This is still kind of where my learning curve is identifying when I should be actively engaged and when I should just turn everything off and wait until I can be actively engaged. And today was not that day. So I have one fallen soldier to memorialize and to remember later tonight. We still have 2 Take Profit funded accounts. We have an Alpha Trader funded account. We have the Next Gen funded account. We have 3 evals on Alpha Trader that we're going to be working on tonight and currently in a short right now on one of those 50K evals right now. How was your day today? Those are the observations that Trade Journal should have. Yeah, that's 100% right, Slacks. Like that's the stuff that you should be journaling. And I don't journal much anymore. I stopped journaling, trading journaling. I still will, like, if I really get mentally in a funk over something, I'll still write it down and I'll still process it. But a trading specific, and I still journal, just journaling life basically. But trading stuff specifically, I don't specifically trade or journal those things much anymore. Been very bullish market. Holiday weekend. I don't know how much the holiday hangover effect the market had today. ripped straight up, kind of pulled back aggressively off of that 3120 level. Pulled all the way, spent the entire afternoon recovering most of that with just a very, very, very slight small sell-off there at the end, but not much. Just looking for a little bit of a pullback back down to retest that 30,000 level. If NQ could get down to that 950 level, I would definitely be going heavy there on dynamic HP. So how was your day today, guys? Were you green? Were you red? Did you pass any evals? Anybody request a payout tonight? Any fallen soldiers that we need to pause and salute here in a little bit? Let me know in the chat how your day went. And while you're doing that, go ahead and smash that like button for me, please. Let's get the likes up. Papa Lesage did okay. Trading futures passed a lucid eval today. Nice. Up 400 on your semi-live. Nice. Kapil didn't blow anything up so far. Break even. Very nice. Kyle says, salute my Ninja Trader account. Went from plus 1,800 to minus 1,800. So that's the lovely thing about free tournament accounts, buddy. They mean nothing. Melon Kunis requested 2 payouts. Let's go, GG's. Long shorts, 1,100 across 2 accounts. Nice. Sangado says, increasing confidence, consistency, and learning more. That's what it's all about right there. Diving in Deep says, Asia holding out. Hope for Iran deal, maybe. Nasus trades in the green. Too much green. I went over my 50% consistency with Lucid. Hate it when that happens. Mouth Hugged was up 3,500. Then I fumbled my way into 1,400 to draw down. Oh, man, that's rough. Double Keto pass and blow up. Mouth Hugged backed up to 1,800 green. KC, you took 54th in the Ninja Trader Cup under KT Trader 111 Rockin' Scootin'. Nice. Good job, buddy. What's up, Doodah? Adam Figs up 750. Nice. Eva trades 4 payouts. Let's go. What's making you short right now? Mostly just looking for a pullback into a daily wick. Just thinking overall on, if you look at the daily time frame, what I'm anticipating is, freaking Alpha Trader. Gosh. Let me go to TradingView. I'll show you on TradingView. If you go to TradingView, here's what I'm thinking. From a daily time frame, let me turn off all the lipstick here. Just looking for a lower daily wick to come back down into this level. We still have the massive opening gap that's been untested all week. We opened and drove straight up. We showed absolutely no desire to try to close the previous week gap. So I'm just looking for just a little pullback into that 30,000 level, about a 40-point dip, and then I think we can continue higher from there. So that's it. There's nothing, no major rocket science or rocket scooter level behind here. ES is sitting right on top of HP. So technically, if you were going to be buying the HP on ES to send it higher, this is where you would want to be long from. I'm also anticipating ES to come back down. ES has tapped the opening week gap twice today and rejected off of the opening week gap twice already. So, but on NQ specifically, just looking for a small little 40-point dump here. And I'm not going to bag hold this at all. If this wants to turn bullish, I'll flip it around. What else? Ranked 20. Brian B-Dog, 25th on Ninja Trader. Let's go. Let's go. Jay Woods made 1K on the My Fun and Futures you won last night. Fantastic. Fantastic. Rob Heitzman, what's going on? Bearded Trader, 290 until I passed my first eval. Motherload, giant gap below. Yeah, that's the main reason, is just looking to see if NQ could make any run to retest that gap. I don't know that it will. It's extremely bullish right now. How do you get the DD band? How do you know which yellow and red line to add? All of them. You add all of them. The red lines, once they're touched, they go away. The yellow lines never go away. The yellow lines stay on the chart forever. Matt's long at the open. Well, he's probably right. I am probably wrong. That's hilarious. All right. We have some great accounts to give away to you guys tonight. We've got two next-gen Pro Trader 25K evals to give away to you tonight. Those are the ones that I've been trading on stream and took a payout on last Friday. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 100K Tradeify select accounts. 5 100K, not 25K, not 50K, 100K Tradeify select accounts. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard that right. Who allowed this? I don't know. Somebody at Prop Score is going to get in trouble. Oh, man, I'm so glad to be back with you guys tonight. Hopefully we can tickle some wicks, make a little bit of money here. That's all we're really trying to do. That's all any of us are trying to do. That's a big account. It is a big account. They're fantastic accounts. The 100K Tradeify select accounts are pretty freaking incredible. Let's go. So you can, when the select accounts, you can go with the daily path. If you go with the daily path, they score 8.2. And they you get an $850 payout. Is that right? No, $1,500 payout. Daily payouts if you take the daily route. They do have a daily loss limit on the funded side. You get $2,500 on drawdown though. Fantastic. And then if you go with the flex, the 100K flex, oh, that's not correct. There is no daily loss limit on the flex account, so we'll need to get Prop Score guys to update this. But on the flex account side of the select, there is no consistency, no daily loss limit. You have a max loss of 3K. You can make $4,000 every 5 days on the 100K accounts. Baller accounts that we're giving away to you guys tonight. Absolutely baller. So the trading platform that you're looking at right here is called Alpha Trader. It's part of Alpha Futures. It's their new, it's their newest trading platform. It's their own branded, controlled trading platform, kind of like Top Step X. It's called Alpha Trader. It's a white glove of TradingView, as you can see. It looks very similar. They've had a ton of issues with it so far tonight. Absolute ton of issues with it. Not even tonight, but just all week. I haven't been able to trade this. I haven't been able to trade any of my 4 accounts with them in 2 days. Since Sunday, it's been shut down. I passed 1 eval last week. It's a funded account, and then I have 3 evals, and they're going to be giving away more evaluations as we continue to. They said they were going to give everybody that had been affected another free 50K eval as well. So Alpha Trader is the platform you see here. The evals. I've already flipped my take profit accounts. He's over here on top. So we don't really just need to sit there and stare at that all night. So we can just throw the Wick Sniff a little Brad up there. Since we don't have any DOMs. We don't have any other DOMs over here to be working on or trading on right now. Those take profit accounts are officially funded. This was the last trading day. The Wednesday trading day was the last day to flip. So after tomorrow's session closes and their dashboard updates, I'll be able to activate them and get them funded to trade on Thursday and Friday. Gonna keep taking stabs, trying to get to those daily payouts on Take Profit. What's up, Spyro? How you doing? They're letting people move to Trade of 8. You just have to message support. But I think they're only letting you move to Tradevate if you haven't taken any active trades on the platform. So I think I might be able to move my funded account to Tradevate because I haven't executed any trades on it yet. But the evals, I'll probably just leave on here and see how they go. Gringo Loco says just make $250 a day, lock yourself away, and go use the other accounts. Ignore them after the $250 a day. The intraday accounts, I have one of each. I think I'm going to attack them one of each. I think I'm going to try to take a base hit on and just base hit my way until the buffer's cleared. The other one, I think I'm going to try to just wait for a great high volume pivot and try to smash the buffer in one day. What's up, Trading Mindset? How you doing? The platform I'm having problems with, and it's not just me, it's the platform itself, Alpha Trader. It's from Alpha Futures. They've been around for a while, Alpha Futures. They're a really good firm. They're a UK-based firm, and they just this last week they introduced Alpha Trader, which is their own trading platform. And it's just like Top Step X. It's their own white glove kind of trading view, their personal prop firm platform. So I gave it a try. It was super buggy last week. Here's what I'll say about it. It's way better already today. I haven't had any issues with it except when I switched to that daily chart a minute ago. It got kind of crazy and wonky. But it's been very responsive. The orders have gone through. I haven't had any issues so far tonight trading on this account. Now, I will also tell you, Alpha Futures has been absolutely stellar in their support, and they've been absolutely stellar in making restitution for anyone who has been affected by the buggy platform they released. So they've given free accounts to everybody. If you were in a trade and the day closed red, they reset your account to the balance before. And then they've given everybody free 50K accounts. If you were in a trade and you made profit because of the bug, they let you keep all those profits. So they've been very, very cool about how they're handling the buggy and the rollout of their platform. They've been very cool. They've admitted, hey, look, we weren't prepared for the amount of traffic that was going to be on it. The API that they were running wasn't the correct one. It was super buggy and had a lot of latency issues. To their credit, they took it completely offline for the last day and a half, and their developers have been working around the clock to get it all ready. They thought they would have it ready for London. They didn't. They thought they would have it ready for New York. They didn't. They just opened it back up at the start of the Globex session here tonight, and everything's been running smoothly so far. Now, I don't know that it won't crash again. I don't know that there won't be more bugs again. But to Alpha Futures' credit, they have been incredibly solid about handling the issues with their platform. So like I said, if you were in a trade and you couldn't close it, but you ended up green or passing an evaluation, they honored that. And if you were in a trade and you breached an account or you lost money because you couldn't close the trade or it crashed, they reset it to the previous day and they gave you a free eval on top of it. And they're going to give me another free eval because I haven't had 2 days of trading this week. So all in all, been very impressed really with the support and the way they've kind of handled and made right everybody, all the traders that have been affected by their platform. So not to say that, again, that's not me endorsing Alpha Trader platform. That's more of an endorsement of Alpha Futures overall, really. And just from a support standpoint, how well they've handled the issue here with how crappy it's kind of been. So Bup, 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 bup. Hey, there's my DDP level. Thank you, Dan. How you doing, buddy? 968, right down near HP. You know what was crazy, Dan, is I was eyeballing that level earlier thinking, I wonder if I bet Dan's DDP, I bet Dan's daily pivot is going to be right. I thought it would be somewhere right around in here just based on how the trading day went. I thought it would probably be around 977. So to see it come in at 968.25, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm kind of getting a hang of how that flow works, even though I don't have all of those pivot levels on my chart. So thank you for putting it in the chat, by the way. R1's at 31.94. That's right up 194. That's way up there. And 29.818. That's down by our DD bands and this other yellow line. So that's cool. Interesting how they play out closer to some of those rocket scooter levels recently. Could we reach highs and break them tonight? Absolutely, for sure. I'm only going to give this about 50 points, and then I would cut this trade here. You hate longing up here, but the flows are so strong that longs get bailed out of moves more often than shorts when there's no supply. Yeah, I hate longing up here as well. I was hoping we could put in like a little 40 point daily wick. That's kind of why I was short here, is just looking to get some kind of reversion to the mean a little bit down into that 30K level and then take a rip higher. So looks like I might be offsides on that first call there. Missed the boot camp. Did Matt talk about the strategy for the Tradeify Cup? I don't know. I wasn't able to get to the boot camp today. I had work. I was getting work done obviously yesterday. Just getting back into work since yesterday was a holiday for me from my day job. I have a lot of catching up to do. A lot of meetings that were missed on Monday because we were out. So by the time I got home, I just chilled with Lady Darb for a little bit, and then grabbed all my. I try to get down here like right before the Globex open, and while it's opening, I'm getting everything set up. I'm getting all my screens up, getting my layout up, getting the levels onto the charts right. Making sure that OBS is working, the cameras are working, the mic's working, the music's working. You know, there's like a whole process. You don't just come in and stream. Like there's a production process that I go through every single day to get ready for this. Which is the main reason I don't come on right at the Globex Open, is just because it's such a long day for me. I need like a little brain time, a little downtime before I get on here, especially after a day like today from work. That I can just zone out for a little bit before I have to talk straight for 4 hours. Guys, smash that like button. We're at 177 likes. We got to get to 400 to start the giveaways tonight. No pullbacks ever again. No pullbacks till 50K. It's straight to 50K. No pullbacks ever. Done with them damn pullbacks. Screw the pullbacks. Just click buy. Let's see. Where do I want to... Getting down closer, and I think somewhere right in there for a take profit. The one thing I don't like about this platform is you can't just drag your, you can't just put a TP without putting a stop loss in. It makes you put in a stop loss. Oh, damn it. That's not what I wanted. I want to do this. And then you can confirm the trade. I wonder if I take it off, will it cancel both if I cancel this one? Yeah, it cancels both. That's kind of dumb. The other way to do it is just to put on a limit order, a buy limit down where you want it. Which does the same thing. It's like you don't have to confirm it. You can just put it on. Like, I want to be able to drag it and do that. I don't know why I can't just set a limit by dragging it. That's kind of weird to me. Like, it makes you go through that whole rigmarole. Kind of weird. All right, guys, let's push pause. We had some breached accounts we need to remember today. Those little buddies we sent out. I had one. My little Top Step Combine didn't survive today. That's okay. I miss that fella. He's gone, but he's not forgotten. I do miss him. I'll get him back. I'm gonna reset that little buddy. I'm gonna reset him, and I'm gonna rise him, resurrect him. Not today, but I will resurrect him, and we'll go at it again. All right.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
Top Step. I need to redo the video and put a Top Step dog chain cross memorial in that video. I'll say this. I have actually enjoyed trading with the Top Step X platform. I know. Don't shoot me. I have actually enjoyed the trading environment and Top Step X platform. Now, I know that there's some things about it that aren't ideal, like having a DOM with all of your accounts that you can go through very quickly, like you have on Trade-of-8. But I gotta tell you, I've done some Top Step combines now on like 3 or 4 of them now in the month of May. Even though I haven't passed any of them, I have enjoyed my time with Top Step X. Don't tell anyone, BJ. Well, just between you and me. Definitely don't tell Matoski. I might not be back tomorrow. He hates Top Step X, but I don't think he's tried it recently. I think his biggest thing with Top Step X is not being able to have multiple DOMs open for different accounts. But I got to tell you, for copy trading, like if you're not going to be copy trading, it's very easy just to open your account. You know, just drop your drop down menu. I know that's a little bit cumbersome. It's not ideal. I understand that. But for me, I have too many accounts right now to be managing. You use multiple DOMs and multiple workspaces in Top Step. Maybe you could help Matt out understand how to do that better. Because I feel like those 150K combines that still allow you to take, don't the 150Ks, Dan, can't you still take out $5,000 or $6,000 per payout on those? They didn't nerf those payouts, did they? It was the smaller ones or the other ones where they got nerfed, I think. I think the 150Ks you can still take out 6 per. Trade C, I have done Trade C only on one account with funded C, and it was okay. 5K max on standard, 6K on consistency. Gotcha. So 5K is a great payout. Considering Lucid right now, I think you can only take out 3K on the Lucid. Basically, it's the same flex account. It's 5 days of trading, you know, no consistency, no daily loss limit, and you can take out 5K every 5 days. So, I mean, in Top Step X, I gotta say, like, they've cleaned it up. They've cleaned it up. I'm gonna give them their props, man. You got to give the props. They did a good job. It took them a little time. I'm hopeful maybe Alpha Trader will follow suit here and also get cleaned up a little bit. So, what time is it in Australia? I have absolutely no idea. It's probably morning. What is it? Probably like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. in Australia right now? I don't know. Pass the 50K, get a 2K payout, then use the 2K payout to pay for the 150s. Is the activation fee the same on every account? Or is the activation fee higher depending on what account you have? Ahmed Hussein, the Lucid accounts, I took payouts on them and then they got blown up, and I have too many accounts to manage right now. I am going to go back to Lucid. I'm going to go back to them, but I've got 2 funded take profit accounts. I've got 1 funded Alpha Futures account. I've got 1 funded Next Gen account, and I have 3 and soon to be 4 Alpha Futures 50K evals. It's way too many accounts for me to be managing right now, so I'm not adding any more accounts. I really only picked up that Top Step Combine yesterday because I couldn't trade anything on the Alpha Futures because their platform was down for the last 2 days. So I really shouldn't have bought it, but I didn't have really much else to trade on the show last night. That's why I went and got it. Can I answer your Lucid question? Whatever it is, I'm happy to. If I see it, I will. It's the same activation fee if that's the account you choose. No activation is probably the way to go with your pass rate, though. I see, yeah. Maybe I should. I didn't realize maybe I just didn't look close enough. I'm not a huge, I don't know that much about Top Step, honestly, right off the top of my head, so. Do. What's up, Diego? How you doing? It's 9:40 in Sydney. There you go. There's somebody answered you. U.S. Space Force awards SpaceX a $2.29 billion contract to develop a space data network. That's incredible. USMC says, check out the huge sale on Next Gen Instant Live accounts they just announced today. You can get a 50K funded for 119. Yeah, Next Gen, I was going to talk about that in a little bit, but since you already let the cat out of the bag, Next Gen is celebrating their 1-year anniversary tomorrow. And to celebrate their 1-year anniversary, they are doing a 70% off sale on their direct-to-funded accounts. So I think you can get like a 25K direct-to-funded account for like $70 or $80 right now. If you use Score1Y, I believe is the Score1Y. I'll pull it up in a little bit, but next gen, yeah, they're having an incredible sale over there right now. Give me one account so you don't stress about it. I'll be happy it's your birthday today. Stick around, man. We've got a bunch of accounts to give away. You may win one, all right? EvaTrade says we got overnight numbers for gold. Oh, I saw Matt put it in there for the Tradeify contest tomorrow. He put in the overnight levels in Rocket Scooter for gold. Yeah, I didn't add them to the chart, but I did see him put them in there. They are way, let's see, they're at like 45.18. Both hedge pressure and dynamic pressure basically on top of each other. Let me go look. So they busted through those levels, it looks like, if you're a gold trader. They're at 45.18. And it looks like it just popped right through that. Interesting. I'm not a gold trader, as you guys know. As you know, if you didn't, now you do. That's hilarious. You know what? Screw that. Screw that. See, here's the thing. Like I'm hitting cancel order, and it says order rejected. Order rejected. See, this is the buggy part about this platform is it order filled, and then you look at where it took me out. I took a loss, but it says I only lost $4 on that trade. I don't know what's going on with this platform. They've obviously still got issues. Let me refresh. And now it doesn't even show that I've lost a trade. But I obviously have, and that order's still here, and I can't close it out. I don't know what to do, guys. I really have no idea. Maybe they'll just reset my account again tomorrow. And I don't even have the right, like, I don't even have my level. My levels are gone. Oh, this is just like a very, very incredibly frustrating experience with Alpha Futures, Alpha Trader. I gotta say, it's not been a pleasant experience. Super, super buggy. Any account that you've taken a trade on, I guess I could message support and just see if they'll move them. But when I was in their Discord earlier, people were asking about getting moved over, and they were like, "Have you taken a trade on any of the accounts?" So I think as long as you haven't taken any positions on any of your evals, so the funded account, I might be able to message them and say, "Hey, move it over to Tradeivate." They're giving, yeah, I'm going to get another free account out of this. That's one of the reasons I'm staying with it. I'm going to see how many free accounts I can milk. It might even be like, do you just YOLO, and if you pass, they honor it, and if you fail, they just reset your account the next day for free? It's kind of what it feels like. Because they honor any profits that you make, and they honor any evaluations you pass, and they reset everything else that is a loser or a breached account, and they'll give you a code for a new eval. So I figure at some point it's going to get worked out and won't be buggy, and then I'll have all of these free accounts plus some funded accounts in my back pocket. So now I'm like, do I take more trades on Alpha Futures, or do I just paper trade tonight? Because I don't have any other accounts that I want to try the cancel all. Cancel all. It says order filled, order rejected. And look, like it doesn't even update my unrealized P&L. It doesn't. It shows that I was in a short right there, but I obviously closed the trade out because I'm still not in a position. But it shows I've only lost $4 or $3.30, which looks like probably just maybe the commit. No, that's not even the commit. That's not even worth the commissions on 5 micros. That would be more than that. Cancel orders. Order filled, order filled. See where it says order rejected? Watch where it says cancel order. It's not doing it now. Cancel all. No. Cancel all requests completed. I don't know, man. And I can move it. Order rejected. What's up, Railroad Life? How you doing? If they fail, they will reset it. That's what I'm saying. So maybe I should just, like, max. I should just go in hard. Let me just go to NQ. And I think I can do 4. Nope, order rejected. Sell, order rejected. No. Okay, let me buy. The other thing is that it's only letting me buy 2, but I can have 4. If you look at the Alpha Futures 50K premium, it says max 4 contracts, but it's only letting me buy 2 ever on the platform. So I don't know. It won't let me buy the contracts that I'm allowed to have. It won't let me close out. Oh, it took the... Oh, no, that was in... Let me go back to MNQ. Let me see if that limit order is still there. Limit order is still there on MNQ. NQ is now in a position. There's... Well, as far as I know, there's no scaling rule. Let me go look. Alpha Futures... It just says 50K premium, 4 contracts. So on the qualified account, which means the funded account, there is no scaling plan on advanced accounts. Maximum positions with the scaling plan on a funded account is 2. If you have less than 1,500, it's 2. 1,500, 2,000 is 3, and 2,000 and 3,000 is 4. But those are on the qualified accounts, not the evals. And on their actual, like if you look right here, you tell me how to read this. How would you read this right here? Alpha Futures Premium 50K. 4 contracts, right? Position size, max contracts 4. Over here, when you click on it, it takes you to their qualified account scaling plan. So I'm on an eval. I'm not on a qualified account. I should have access to 4 contracts. So I don't know. Whatever. Again, I'm a little confused on exactly how their whole system works. You get the free account. Yeah, if you trade on Alpha Trader, they are making sure people get made right with any issues. So can't complain too much with that. Could it be confounding all your accounts together? I don't know. I'm wondering if maybe because it still has that MNQ order over here that it won't cancel. If it still thinks it's adding it to my overall. But even then, I'm not at 4, you know? Even then, I'm still way under 4. And if I put that in there, see, it won't even put me I can't even put a limit order up here now. Look, if I go to sell limit, I sell 2. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Whoa, where did it go? Now it's not even showing up. How do you know how to size into trades? What do you take into consideration when going in? Just different levels. Right now, I'm literally just playing with Alpha Trader, trying to figure out how it works. I'm not even. This account is already screwed up. The balance isn't correct. I have orders that I've canceled that are still on the screen. I have an order that I just put in here that isn't on the screen. If you cancel all, yeah, I've done cancel all, Kyle, multiple times. But on this, there's still a limit order sitting down over here that even if I hit cancel all, it says order rejected. So if I close it out, it says order filled, and then it says, but it still shows up, and then it says order rejected, and then it keeps coming back. On NQ, I don't know if there's a limit order up there or not. I tried to put a limit order on. Let me see. I'll try to do another one. Sell limit at 2. And then it flashes and then goes away. And then if I hit cancel all, it tries to cancel that 5 MNQ. And now I'm afraid that there's 2 limit orders up here somewhere. I have refreshed multiple times. So it's not, but I promise you guys, it's not, it's the buggy platform. So it's just the platform, and they're aware of it. They know about it. They're very much in the know that this is not working properly right now. And that's totally cool. So we're just going to wait and see how it plays out, right? So unplug, reboot. Can you use Tradevate? You can't. So if you buy an account and you choose Tradevate, you can trade on Tradevate. I am giving Alpha Trader platform a shot, and I told you earlier, and maybe this is. I don't think this is unethical. I'm staying with Alpha Trader because every time it messes up, they make it right and they give me a free account. So, is it really that bad if I just keep trading with it? I have video evidence that I can submit that it's not working. And the more I trade the platform, the more free accounts they give me. So, is it really that horrible? I don't think so. I'll take all the free accounts they want to give me. Since I have to pay for my own accounts here on the stream, I don't get free accounts to trade. I'm just working the system. That's all I'm doing. They're the ones who rolled out a platform that wasn't ready to be deployed. And now they're having to compensate people for that. I am one of those people they're having to compensate. So why not just rack them up? Note to self, Brad would work Papalez. I mean, if you keep giving me free accounts, maybe there's something here. Maybe there's something going on. Alpha Trader platform is like the drug dealer that gives his clients their first hit free, and so they keep coming back. It's kind of the way I'm like, man, they gave me one free. Maybe they'll give me more free. And sure enough, they give me more. I'm being such a Bradley. Yeah. It's just, I don't know why I can't go with my full contract size of 4 contracts on a 50K account. Kyle, can you Kyle, you're the. Can you reach out to them and find out if there's a scaling plan on the eval side? Their 50K eval, is it scaling just like the funded or the qualified account, or is it? Do you not have access to your full contract position? Kyle's getting me 20 free Apex accounts so he can sing their praise. I'll take free accounts. Yeah, 2 minutes to Tokyo here. Papa Les, they said they didn't make you right, but they would. I think they will. They will get to it. You'll get a free account, and they'll if you've breached or closed with a loss, they'll reset your account to whatever it was. No, this is a premium. The 50K premium on their website, the 50K premium does not show the eval being a scaling contract position. It just says max position size 4. On the funded side, it shows as a scaling contract position. So I was just wondering on the premium, the 50K premium, why they 2 minutes to Tokyo does sound like a song, doesn't it? That's pretty cool. I'm wondering why on their homepage it doesn't look like it is a scaling. It says just max contracts 4. So the trade I'm looking for, this honestly I don't even know. A winning trade is what I'm looking for, not to sound dumb or facetious, but quite honestly, just to see a run of the previous day high would be awesome, and then I'll see if I can close this out in green and make some money. Broke back shorten. We got to make broke back shorten. We got to make 2 minutes to Tokyo. What else we got to make? I can't remember. There it is. There's the Tokyo rollover. Yeah, I'll check whatever. Just send me what you got. I have two. There's potentially there's 2 limit orders sitting up here somewhere that I put in that are invisible ghost orders somewhere. So I don't even know if they're there. I've hit cancel all. I've hit cancel orders. No working orders on NQ. So maybe they're gone. Let's test the theory. Let's sell 2 limits. There's no limit order. Let's try that again. Sell. Order rejected. So it must be because I've got other limit orders sitting up here. It won't let me put more up. So it's not canceling my invisible orders. And I do have invisible orders sitting up here somewhere. And I'm just probably going to find out where they are when they get there. This is crazy. All right. Let me get my message. Let's go check. So the theory is potentially flip through accounts, see if my limit orders are on a different account. Don't see any there. What about the other limit order over on this MNQ position? No. Flat cancel orders. No working orders. All right, let's go to this one. I don't see any limit order there. Cancel orders. No working orders. In queue. No limit order up there. And then this is the funded account, the one that's on funded. No order there. Cancel orders. No working orders. Let's go back now to the original account I was trading. Still no limit order up here. Cancel orders. No working orders. So there you go. And it's still not showing my loss that I took earlier in the night. It's still not even showing the loss I took over here on the MNQ. It shows that I was in a short, but I obviously am not in that trade anymore. So just crazy, man. Really, really, really weird. I don't know. Not showing a loss sounds good to me. I love it. I love Alpha Trader. I never lose on Alpha Trader. Currently, that's actually the real thing. You can't lose on Alpha Trader right now. You can only make money on Alpha Trader. So go get you an account. It doesn't matter what happens. If you make money, they'll keep it. If you lose money, they reset your account. Note to self, Greg and Brad would try to game my firm. As long as you don't have a buggy platform, Papa Les, you're going to be all right. You're going to be all right. All right, let's go look at that bounce off of ES and HP. What a great play off of ES. Anybody long up here off of the weekly hedge pressure on ES? ES still has. Let's look at the higher time frame here. 75.55, and then you've got your previous day high at 75.70. Nice rejection off of the opening gap here. The retest at noon today, and then again at 1 o'clock, and then we've just bounced up higher here. Currently, I'm in a long only, and I was just really trying to see if the platform would let me take a position. I just clicked buy. There's no reason to be clicking buy where I did, other than it wasn't updating my account, and I was trying to close out on a different position, and it wouldn't let me. So I just clicked buy to see if it would put me in, and it put me into a position. So that's why I am in this position right here. There is no other reason that I'm in this position. Just purely pushing a button to test what was going on with the platform. Now that I'm in the position, I'm going to hang on to it and see if I can make a little money off of it. So. Papa Les still short here on NQ. Can you give a link to Alpha Trader? Just Google Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures is the prop firm. Alpha Trader is their platform. You can trade on Alpha Futures. You can trade Quant Hour. I think you can trade. Oh, look at that. That was a nice little pop. I have a limit order up here somewhere, but it didn't. I guess it's not there. I guess it wasn't there. So I don't know. Thank you, Farina. Use code SCORE. I'm not sure if, I think they have a 25% off all accounts right now. I think they have a sale running right now for 25% off. Guys, we're at 284 likes. We have to get to 400. You know the drill. Smash that like button for me. Let's get the likes to 400 and we'll start our giveaways. Oh, clicking buy seems to be the number one way to make any money. All you have to do is just click buy. If you go in with a small enough position size, you'll survive the day and make money. And that's basically the whole plan. Just click buy. It would be hilarious if this trade actually wins. And I don't know where my limit orders up here are. That's what sucks, is I can't. Yeah, I don't know. The ES buy off of HP was probably a cleaner buy for sure. Market Vision, you got Wick tickled? Nice. Dan says, I constantly remind myself when you're shorting all-time highs, you're going against the entire universe and history of the market where anyone short below that price is wrong. And there's an extreme lack of sellers. Correct. It's so hard to keep buying long when there's nothing but blue skies ahead of you. There is a yellow line at 120, right? On NQ. There's a yellow line. No? Yeah. Yeah, there's a yellow line here at 120 that could hold price down. A margin buffer limit line. That's where we paused today twice. Would love to see price whip up through there. Currently up overall on this account. I want to say I lost like $300 on this account already. It showed that I've only lost like $3, but it didn't update and it didn't show that I closed that trade. So I don't even know what's actually happening here. I don't know truly where this account stands right now. What's up, Frazier? How you doing? Is the upper DD band the highest we could go? No, the highest we could go is infinite. Like there's no reason to think that if you go to where is my upper DD band? It's at 293. Somewhere around 200, I think you're going to see some resistance before you get to that DD band. If we can break through the yellow line. I don't know that we're going to be able to break through this yellow line right here. ES is also approaching a yellow line at 75.47. So you have two very strong resistances on ES and NQ right now from a rocket scooter platform high volume pivot level. Both of them are stalling out currently. Maybe I just take my profit and what I'm afraid of is if I close the account, I still have limit orders up here. That's what I'm afraid of. I currently Masturbator, it's full ported. Kyle, did you ever find out? Did you ask, or did you get any info about the scaling? Is there scaling on the eval too, or is it just on the funded account? Yeah, I can't imagine being a support rep for Alpha Futures right now. They are dealing with some pissed off prop traders. NQ to 100K, yeah. You just officially passed your TPT eval. Let's go, baby. Good job, Jay Whistle. GG's. M Platinum says if I'm short, it will blow through the yellow line. Well, if you could please put on a short for me, I would appreciate that. Scaling is only on funded side, but their servers are basically on fire right now. Oh, that's so sad for them. I feel so bad for them. You would have thought they would have done some stress testing on this platform before taking it live. I feel like, I don't know how many people, I don't know how many traders Alpha Futures has in their kind of universe of people trading prop firms right now. But I got to imagine there's a way that you could stress test your platform with several thousand accounts before you take it live and ask people to spend money trying to do this. Someone is saying it hit their stop loss, but it made money on their account. What happened with Alpha? It's just the Alpha Trader platform. They took it offline for 2 days. They were like, we've got it fixed. We've got it worked out. And they put it back on for Globex Open, and it has been a complete disaster. I will say this. At least all the candle information is there tonight. At least all of the candle information is showing up. You can move around in the platform, and it's fairly quick. It's not perfectly quick, but it's fairly quick. But there are ghost orders that aren't showing up. There are orders that I've canceled that are still on the screen. The P&L is not correct. I've taken a $300 and something loss on this account, and it says I've only lost $3.30 so far tonight. So that's not accurate. This is an eval, and I'm currently at max position size. I'm only at half max position size, and it won't let me add more to it. It just rejects my order because they're... Oh, look, there's my limit orders. I hit buy market, and my limit orders showed up. Holy crap. All right, let's take that one off. Hopefully it actually went away. Let's just set this at like... Nah, let's just set it at like... Where's the high? The high is just above here. Where is that at? Like 900. Yeah, let's go for like 3120. That's a good number. 1K. Let's see if we can make 1K. How about you? So I hit buy and my ghost orders showed up. All right. So that I don't know why that worked, but it kind of feels like the old video games. They just pushed a hot fix. Okay. Okay, so my account updated. So there you go. So my current balance, my daily P&L updated with that fix, whatever they just pushed. So there you go. Okay, cool. Very good to see that. So at least that's there. Let's go check my MNQ. Is it gone? Okay, my MNQ is gone, and it showed my exit. Okay, so there you go. All right. I wonder if I can add positions. I can add into my max position size here. Can I add in 2 more? Can I buy a 3rd? I can. Nope. Order rejected. Still can't buy my max position size. Order rejected. So I can't, it's not, I'm limited to 2 minis, even though they say I can trade 4. Yeah, I know there's a yellow line up there at 120. I'm aware of it. I'm in a long position, but only by accident. Only by accident. So if this account breaches, they'll reset it for me. At least they should, because I shouldn't be in this position, but I'm in it. You sent a note to HR. What I was saying was it kind of feels like those puzzle games where there's no real instructions and you just have to kind of like figure out what's going on. You have to push buttons and turn knobs until you figure the puzzle out. That's what trading on Alpha Trader feels like right now. Sounds like your first wife. Wow. That's brutal. That's brutal. Damn, I am so hungry right now. Like I'm starving. Like I feel like that. Whew. And I had a good lunch today. I had a nice healthy protein snack when I got home. But I am famished. Let's go up here to a, what are we looking like? Putting in a higher low here. How about that? Let's put in a higher low. Let's run these highs. Take out the previous day high. Tap me out. Power Authority says you eat 12 ounces of ground beef with 6 ounces of rice when I get home from work every day. Is it dry rice? Can't do dry rice. What was the news candle? I don't think there was a news candle. Temporary shock may turn lasting if it alters wages. Dividing line between temporary and persistent inflation isn't fixed. It's just Bank of Japan governor talking, and maybe that's the news candle. I don't know. Japan's experience with oil shocks shows they are tests of the entire inflation framework. Energy shock since 2021 helped shift Japan from deflation, but not into 70s style inflation spiral. So he's just talking about inflation in Japan right now. But I don't know that it has anything. I don't know that there's no like Iran news or anything that's affecting this. I'm not worried about shorting or buying anything on this account because, like I said before, their platform is absolute trash right now, and they're gonna have to reset these accounts. I mean, they have to. Like, people can't execute, they can't see their orders, they can't change their orders. I can't even trade the position size that I want to trade, or if I wanted to, I'm not even allowed to. Hey, we're almost to 400 likes. We need 50 more likes, guys. There's 800 people watching the show right now. Thank you guys so much for being here. Welcome in to the night shift. Glad you guys are with us. Again, my name is Brad, the host of the Night Shift show here on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get to 400 and we will start our giveaways. We have 7 accounts to give away tonight. We have 2 25K Next Gen Pro Trader funding accounts to give away. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Tradeify 100K select accounts. Yes, you heard that right. 5 100K select accounts. So if this account blows up, I'm banking on it getting reset. Because I didn't want to actually get into a position up here. Number one. Number two, for 20 minutes, I couldn't get in or out of any other positions. So I'm just going to leave this on. And it's either going to blow it up and I'll get it reset, or it'll continue to trade. I don't even know if I want to go to another eval. Like, I don't know if I trust it. I don't know if I trust it. Gringo Loco says should drop down to 30 now that you closed your short and went long. Yep. Couldn't break through that yellow line on ES or in Q. Drop back down here, see if we can pick up some more buyers and make another bull rush for a new high. Alpha will rename me to Brat. Yeah. Tradeivate definitely feels like the right answer here to go with. Hey, babe. How are you? Thank you. I was starving. I am starving. I don't know. I can't, like, I have, like, I was just like, I want to eat. I'm so hungry. Yeah. What you got? I mean, I don't know. The pain med helped a little bit. Okay, what do we got here? Ground beef. Macronutrient, all-inclusive meal. What do we got? I see potatoes. I see ground beef. I see salsa. I see corn. Is that corn? Ooh, you got beans in here? I'm not a beans guy. It's okay. It's all mashed together and it looks delicious. Here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I need to stand up and eat. Here. Have a seat.
Don't ask me to do anything up there.
You don't have to do anything except just say hi to chat.
Hi, chat.
You gotta scoot up.
Hi, chat. I am just like you. Like,
What?
you're like, I'm starving.
I
And I
know.
bring you something, and you're like, oh my god, it has beans in it.
Oh, that's really good though. Oh, it tastes so good.
Mm-hmm. Calm down, please be nice. Have you been mean tonight?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No carrots.
No, she knows better to put carrots in any of my food. Oh, this is really good. Well, you gotta read chat and answer the question.
Tell Brad to make his own dinner if he doesn't want beans. Thank you, Andrew. That's right. Nice tattoos. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Eat your beans. Do you even trade, Lady Darb? I do not.
Why not?
I don't have the brain for this. My brain does not work this way. I don't. I've been watching him do it for a long time, but I don't.
You watch Matt every morning with me.
I know, I watch both of you guys. But I just don't. I've always, I don't know if I should say this. It's a little bit like gambling.
No, it is. You can say it.
I've always said that this feels very much like gambling to me. And I know there's strategy. I know there's, all kind of, I know there's a method to it, right? But it feels like you're just putting something out there and like hoping that this is what happens, that what you put out there is what's going to come back to you. And I don't understand it. So, yeah. Do I like gold? I do like gold. I like gold on my body. That's about it. Right? Right answer?
Yeah, that's right answer.
Oh my god.
I'm starving. I told you I was
so
hungry.
fast. Yeah. I've been watching your husband for the past week, Small World. Socially acceptable gambling. I guess so, yeah. Yeah. What account are you using, Brad?
It's Alpha Trader 50K premium evaluation.
Yeah.
But it's going to get reset because the platform is super buggy tonight still. They haven't
No
fixed it.
way!
What?
No freaking way. Paul, here comes my Pilates classes.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. Wait, do you trade? You a trader? Oh, look at, whoa. Okay. What are the odds?
Pretty good. I mean,
Pretty good?
Yeah, because, let's be honest. There's not really a better live futures day trading streaming show on YouTube right now to go watch.
Okay.
So chances are pretty high.
What the heck? That's crazy. That's crazy. It is a teeny tiny world.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, so.
I mean, you can stay.
No.
Yeah,
I'm good.
stay.
No, I didn't stay.
There's 826 people here. Odds are pretty low, actually.
See? Thank you. Thank you. Like this guy takes my Pilates classes and
That's hilarious.
works out in the same gym that I do sometimes, and that's why.
Remember, Brad is famous. He got identified by the cool kid.
This is that's so true. Every time we walk by him, that kid's like, he does like that.
I'm YouTube famous.
What's this? We need to take this down.
He's a stalker.
He's not a stalker. I'm in shock. Me too.
They said let her do a giveaway.
No, I don't know what to say.
No, you just say, hey, thanks for getting to 400 likes.
Okay, so we're up to 400 likes?
No, we did. We got to 410.
Oh, we're at 410. Okay, nice. Let's do a giveaway.
So we need a keyword, chat.
We need a keyword, chat. Give us the keyword.
You can pick the keyword tonight.
Pilates.
You can pick the keyword.
I just said Pilates.
That's the keyword?
Yes.
All right, okay, hold on. You got to type it in over here.
Oh, God.
Type in Pilates, all caps. All caps.
Okay.
Pilates. Good. Okay. Say, all right, chat, keywords Pilates.
All right, chat. Keyword is Pilates.
Type it in.
Type it in.
Tell them they get 1 entry per person.
You get 1 entry per
It
person.
doesn't matter how many times you type it.
It does not matter how many times you type it in there.
You only get 1.
You only get 1.
Do you want to do a Pilates demonstration while we're waiting?
Absolutely not.
Let's show them a Pilates move.
How about you do it? How about you go ahead?
Well, I don't know any Pilates
Exactly.
moves.
Why doesn't he know?
Because I can't do the high Pilates.
Because he doesn't.
Just do regular Pilates.
Oh my God.
If you would just do regular Pilates, not in a room that's 110 degrees, we would be golden.
I don't think I could go back to a regular room now that I've done what I'm doing. I can't. No.
All right, let's show them what's a good Pilates move. For people who are stuck at their desk all day, they're sitting here trading. What can they do at their desk to stay strong, healthy, limber? What can we do? Come on, give us something.
Okay, you can do a little cat-cow.
Cat-cow?
Yeah.
How's that go?
So you... Like if you're actually sitting...
Hold on, we gotta make sure you're in the shot.
You're just actually sitting, you just put your hands back behind here and open your chest out. Look straight up at the ceiling. And then exhale and bring your head all the way down, your chin to your chest. Bring your elbows into your thighs. And then open back up.
That's called cat-cow?
Well, that's a version of cat-cow. That's like a
version
sitting
of cat-cow? For sitting?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Very nice. All right, we can turn that back around. Brad should do this before he smashes this prop firm. Hey, look, I'm about to hit a win and trade right here, guys.
Okay.
Let's just, you know what?
Breathe and relax, yes. Our Pilates class is near-death experience. You're not helping.
They're more than near death.
You're not helping, Paul.
Literally, I have taken like 4 of them, and I have had to leave.
You're
every
a
single
liar.
time. I have come in at every
You're
single time.
a liar.
Every single time I've had to leave because I was convinced I was passing away.
2 times he's been to my class.
No, 4. I've been to 4 classes. I've been to 4. I have been to 4. Come on, we need a break of this yellow line right here. Let's just put it up here. Let's just be greedy.
We want to see Brad do Pilates. Yes, see, me too. Paul has to leave class. He gets up and he leaves. And
I can't do it. It's so hard.
He has to
It's
come back
too
in.
freaking hot. It's too freaking hot. It's the same amount of bags of candy he ate tonight. I haven't had 1 bag of candy. Stop. I literally said I was so hungry because I haven't eaten anything. Look, there's no trash
I
can
feel
in here.
like I need to look for contraband or
There's
something.
no trash cans in here for me to put trash in, so there's literally nothing here. You guys are trying to get me in trouble. That ain't cool. Yeah, Cheetos.
Check for the dust.
Oh, there is no bin. There's no bin in here.
We're just telling you the truth. He had Cheetos.
I
Oh my
do-
God, everyone has
I
to.
do kind of need a little sweet treat right now from something, but I know you probably won't give me anything.
No. No. I will not help you sway.
Skittles under the hat on the
He's got
shelf.
treats hidden. I don't know. I already looked there.
I don't have anything hidden in here anywhere.
How long are my classes? They're 45 minutes. It's just 45 minutes. That's what I tell my class. 45 minutes of your life. This
45 minutes to die. That's all it is. 45 minutes to die.
Lady Dog.
They're not under my hat. Look, they're not in my hat. There's nothing in my hat.
Oh my God, I'm shook right now. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to give him a hard time when he comes back. If he comes back. Haven't seen him in a minute.
Uh-oh.
Hmm.
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm out of here.
Thank you, love.
Bye, chat. Okay.
Yeah, take all that, if you would, please. That would be great. Thank you so much. As always,
Nope.
I hate to see you go, but I love to watch you leave. Hell yeah. All right. Let's get them Skittles. Oh, love that woman. All right. Get another payout. She'll go buy some candy. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. You can weightlift and do HIIT. So I go to the gym. I go to the same gym that she teaches at because I get a free membership. And I work out there 3 to 4 times. I lift and do some cardio, but mostly just lift there 3 to 4 times a week. But what's more painful, Alpha Trader or Pilates? Oh, 100% hot room Pilates is way more painful than Alpha Trader because Alpha Trader will actually reward me because their platform sucks. I do not get rewarded from hot Pilates other than wanting to vomit and die and go into cardiac arrest. Did ES break through that yellow line? No. Still struggling. NQ is tapping the yellow line. Just broke through. Made a new high. Would love to see it push. Would love to see it push here. Don't pull back underneath. Reward is not visible because of the Skittles. I haven't had Skittles in a while, actually. All right, we need to give away an account. All right, we're giving away. What are we doing? The giveaway is for a Next Gen Pro Trader 25K eval. Next Gen Pro Trader 25K eval. I took a payout on this very same account. I took a payout from them on Friday. It hit my bank about 5 minutes after it was requested. They do 100% profit split on these accounts. So everything goes to the trader. Let me grab all of the names. Let me get the wheel of names up here. This is last night's. We got to get rid of all that. Let's put the new ones in. All right, here we go. Here's everybody's names. You can stop typing, guys. The bot is turned off. The bot is no longer active. No more entries. All right. Let's shuffle it up here. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And we're going to spin the wheel. Next Gen 25K eval goes to Mark Dennis. Is it Marked Dennis or Mark Dennis? Preemptive rig. Mark D. Dennis. Type something in chat. You have to pee every time I spin. You got to hold it, man. You got to hold it. I need to make sure I'm on live chat here, by the way. Has he typed anything? There he is. Rigged. I love it. I love it. All right. Let me put you in the winner's circle. Next gen 25K eval. Oh, shoot. Control Z. I need to get your name, not all 400 and something names. That would have sucked. Okay, you've been submitted into the winner's circle. To claim your prize, you're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. And you can find a link to that in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. His middle name is Diddy, Mark Diddy Dennis. You know you want to duck race. I can't duck race. I've told Kyle I'm not going to do any more duck races. Those are Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID in the Prop Score Discord on the Claim Your Win channel. Yellow line is just getting slammed. No breakage of the yellow line. We did take out previous day high here. Still won't let me add into that position. It's all right. Did you ever look at what I said? I did. It didn't make any sense. I tried to load it all up. I don't know if I didn't load it up right. It didn't make any sense. I'm not a tech. It's got to be a very simple thing for me where it's like, push this button, start this app, play. You know, like I'm not a coder. I'm not a developer. I'm a musician. It's got to be like, step 1, do this. Step 2, do this, and you're done. Like 2 steps max. You know what I mean? All right. Let's get to... We can get to 600 likes. 600 likes. Let's go. I know it's a big ask, but there's 828 people. That means there's easily 156 people that haven't hit the like button that could very easily hit that like button right now in the next 30 to 45 seconds and get us to 600 likes. We have 6 more accounts to give away tonight. That's why I said 600. 6 accounts, 600 likes. Let's go. Did I read the Varus PDF? I did read it, and it was super helpful. It was easy to understand from a. I'm not like a super technical kind of guy, but like I understood. I followed it pretty well. I thought it was very well done. Look at that. We're already at 501. We only need 99 more. Only need 99 more. That's it. Thank you guys for smashing it. Keep doing it. Give out a free alpha evaluations to the entire room. I wish I could. Their Discord is probably getting lit up with pissed off traders right now. Fraser, I don't know if it's in the indicators channel or if it's... It was in the trading... Maybe it was in the trading chat channel. I don't know. He just dropped it in there again. If you go to the trading chat, you can get the Varus PDF that explains the Varus. What we're talking about when we say Varus, this is the volume weighted average price using risk intervals as your bands, as your deviations away from the volume weighted average price. So you told me to just set my stops and let it run my strategy tonight. I'm doing that. Turns out you are in the same trade feeling hopeful. Well, good luck. I didn't really want to be in this trade from this position, but I mean, it may work out and it may be just fine, but for whatever reason, there's a yellow line. I should probably just put it on this chart. I had all of them on the chart earlier tonight. I had them all on the chart earlier tonight, and during the Alpha Trader fiasco about an hour ago or 45 minutes ago, it took all my lines off. So it's fine. It's whatever. Yeah, John White, I agree with you. I think Alpha Futures is a great firm. I really do. I think their accounts are really good accounts. The rollout, I'm surprised they did not stress test or beta test this platform better. It seems like there's a lot of, it's a volume issue. Like there's so much volume hitting their servers. That is something that could have easily been identified in an adequate stress test. So, Top Step X had a very similar kind of clunky rollout when they rolled that out. And right now, Top Step X, I was just saying earlier tonight, I have actually enjoyed trading on Top Step X. Never thought I would say that, but I did. I have changed my mind. I'm not saying it's my favorite platform to trade on, but I am saying my most recent experience with Top Step X was pleasant. I enjoyed it. There were some things on there that I really liked that weren't on there before. And it's also helpful having guys like Dan who trade with Top Step all the time, who are very, very proficient using Top Step X, also helped me out a lot. And I think that also played into me. If I didn't have that help, it probably would have been a little. Maybe I would feel differently about it, I guess is the way to say that. Maybe I would feel differently. Keg Get Gone says, I just got payout eligibility on the end of day. Lucid Flex 25K took a year and a half. Good job, buddy. That is worth celebrating. If you get that payout, you are in the top percentage of traders that can get to payouts. It is very difficult to do. It is not easy to do. Well done, my friend. GG's. When you get that tomorrow, we will play the first payout song in your honor. So come back tomorrow. Let us know how that payout experience goes, and we'll celebrate with you. The Tradeify Grand Cup knockout rounds begin tomorrow. I know Matt is in them. Hey, there's a nice little breakthrough of our yellow line finally. Let's see if we can get a close above here. Let's see if we can get a close above. Is ES still not breaking through their yellow line here? We need ES to get a strong closure above this line too, or NQ is probably not going to find the momentum we need to carry forward here. Question is, should I hold for my full profit, or should I be happy with my gains that I have right here? I think I want to hold. I think I want to be greedy and hold this. Rocky Mountain Trader says, finally, just past the second phase on Blue Sky. Trick consistency steps. I don't know what that means, but congratulations on that. Way to go. You got a question, my good pirate sir? What's up, buddy? I'm a Pilates pirate. Eva trades the 1v. Oh, the Tradeify Grand Cup started at the open tonight for Globex. Okay, cool. You're already up 1K. Eva trades. Can you see where your opponent is at the same time so that you know how much you need to do? Or can you only see your account? We're a nice couple. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Kyle says, you have now traded with Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Next Gen, Top Step, and Alpha, and any others I'm missing. Tradeify. And let's see, is there any others? There may be more. I need to think about it. Apex. Which would you say is your favorite? Funded Next. I took a lot of payouts on Funded Next. Which would you say is your favorite firm thus far? Great question. From a payout perspective, I've had the most success with Lucid and Funded Next. Right under that, I've had the next one would be My Funded Futures. So I think I would say right now my favorite Lucid just keeps coming to my mind only because maybe it's recency bias. Maybe it is. I don't know if it's recency bias or not, but I have really, really, really enjoyed trading Lucid. Oh, you can only see updates at 9 p.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m. That sucks. Dude, you should have live access so you know where everything is. But I think I would have to go with Lucid, honestly. I think I would. I think I'm going to go with Lucid. My Funded Futures would probably be the next best, in my opinion. After that, if you would have asked me back in like October, I would have said Funded Next. But honestly, Funded Next kind of nerfed their accounts. After they captured that market share with those loss leader campaigns with uncapped payouts, 100% profit split, all those kind of things, once they kind of nerfed their accounts, I stopped trading with them. And I moved over to My Funded Futures and Lucid. And that's where all of my payouts after that came from. So I would say there are, from an account perspective, the reason I like Lucid, the 25K flex accounts are super cheap. You can buy a lot of them. In my opinion, they're very easy to pass, and they're very easy to get a payout. No daily loss limit consistency. Now, are there accounts that have better payouts than Lucid? Yes. Absolutely. Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Funded Next even, you can get bigger payouts. But it was working. It was clicking. And I don't know. I think there's something mental that goes on with traders when they're working with different firms, that it plays into your confidence when you're trading with that firm. So if, for instance, my appreciation for Lucid and my confidence in trading those accounts, every time I would get a payout, would increase. And even though trading doesn't change going from one firm to the next, if you, like for me right now, the bugaboo, the monster on my back, the prop firm boogeyman for me right now is Take Profit Trader and the intraday trailing drawdown accounts in general. So My Funded Futures Rapid, Funded Next Bolt, Take Profit Trader. The funded accounts that give you daily payouts and $10,000 payouts, those accounts that have intraday trailing drawdown are the monkey on my back, the monster, the boogeyman, whatever you want to call it. And for whatever reason, mentally, there is a roadblock. There's some kind of thing happening with me when I trade those accounts. Whereas if it was a flex account or some other type of account, I would be like, this is fine. I got this. I'm killing it. So, I would probably rank Lucid 1A, My Funded Futures 1B. They're like both kind of S tier level for me right now. And I will say Top Step is moving up on that. I haven't gotten a combine passed with them yet. And honestly, I don't need any more accounts to manage right now. With my full-time day job plus streaming, managing all the accounts that I have right now across multiple firms is kind of been a bear, honestly. Instead of just stacking all accounts into one firm, I've spread them out so that I could get experience with different firms. And I don't know if there's a part of me that feels like that wasn't the best decision. I have a funded account with NextGen. I have 2 funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. I have 1 funded account with Alpha Futures. And then I have 4 evaluations with Alpha Futures as well. So all in all, 5, 6, 7, it's like 8 or 9 accounts that I'm managing across 3 different firms right now. And it's just kind of, and I don't copy trade. I rotate all my accounts. So it's a little, there's just extra pressure that I feel having to rotate. Remember all of the rules for the evals. Remember the rules and the consistencies and the daily loss limits on the funded side. Luckily, Alpha Trader has kind of been down the last couple days, and it has helped a little bit with that. Guys, we got to get to 600 likes. We need 30 more likes. We're so close. We're so close. Come on, we can get there. Did you see NextGen 25K funded is cheaper than buying the eval now? Yeah. So Esteban Pena, they are running a big sale with NextGen right now. Their 1-year anniversary is tomorrow. They're celebrating surviving their first year as a prop firm. Let me go to hottest deals. Here we go. Let me open this up. So right now, NextGen is running a 70% off flash sell on their instant funded accounts. There's no evaluation. It's instant funding. You can get a 25K for $89, 50K for $120, 75 for $150, and so on. Use code SCORE1Y, SCORE1Y, instant funded account. That's cheaper than buying an evaluation and paying the activation fee and going through a 2-step evaluation, evaluation plus trading. So flash sale, NextGen Pro Trader, their 1-year anniversary, 75% off instant funded accounts. Use code SCORE1Y to take advantage of that. Instant funded. Cheaper than an eval and activation. I don't know. I'm not familiar with their instant funded accounts. Let's look at the rules here. NextGen Instant. Let's see the 50K Instant max. 30% consistency. You have to trade 7 days. So on the 25K, you can trade 5 minis or 5 micros. Daily loss limit of $875. End of day drawdown, 1,750. 30% consistency. The 50K has $1,125 end of daily loss limit with $2,250 max drawdown. The 100K, 3,300 max drawdown, 1,650 daily loss limit. 30% consistency is not bad for an instant funded account, honestly. That's the same consistency they have on their evaluations. Instant funded accounts have the same rules as the standard past eval, no unique rules. You just pay more for the instant funded to skip the eval. Gotcha. So right now, you can get an instant funded, no evaluation account for $89, a 25K for $89. That's pretty good. What's up, Swagger Pilot? How you doing, man? Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, most direct to fundeds are like 20%. When you pass the eval on a 50K, what do you look to make each day from there? I'm on the account. No payout cap with Next Gen. They have no payout cap. They have no live program, and they have 100% profit split. The trader keeps all of it. They have a payout cap per payout, but they don't have a sim cap like total. You can keep taking payouts. There's no cap on the amount of payouts you can take, but each account will probably have a cap that you can take out. You can go check out their FAQs if you want to get more information about that. I am not the Next Gen support. I don't have all those answers. We have so many accounts and firms we're working with right now. There's no way in the world I can keep up with all of the individual payouts and profit splits and days and consistencies and loss limits. As soon as we do a giveaway, I'll give you a code word to type in the chat, and you can participate that way. Next Gen, Kyle or Farina, if you guys could type the link to Next Gen, that would be great. If someone could drop that in the chat. Use code SCORE1Y. SCORE1Y is the code word for the Next Gen sell right now. What's up, Atomic Trader? How you doing? Welcome in. I did get my payout. Yeah, I got the payout on Friday with Next Gen. Here we are into the 9 o'clock hour. We closed last hour right at the high. Getting a little pullback into that yellow line. Let's see if the 9 o'clock hour we can finally get a push up into our sell limit up here. Thank you. There's the Kyle just put the link to Next Gen in the chat for you. Code SCORE1Y for 70% off all instant funded accounts right now. Did we get to 600? 600, let's go, baby. Nice, 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 nice. Let's give away, speaking of Next Gen, let's give away, we have a 25K eval we're going to give away from Next Gen right now. Let's get a code word coming from the chat. I'll pick the one that tickles my fancy. Let's do Skittles. I like Skittles. Skittles it is. Skittles is the keyword. Type it in chat, guys. Let's get it going. We're going to give away a Next Gen Pro Trader Funding 25K eval right now. The code word is Skittles. You get one entry per person. You only have to type it one time. The bot will pick you up and enter you into the giveaway. You can type it 2 or 3 times just to make sure you spelled it correctly. But there's something wrong with you if you feel like you need to type it like 5 times. Wonder why YouTube doesn't like the word Skittles. That's really interesting. Oh, man. I do need a sweet treat. Maybe I should run over to the Sundries. Wonder if Lady Darb's watching this right now. I wonder if I should... I think I could sneak over to the Sundries and get me a sweet treat and be back, and she wouldn't know. Get some Skittles. They do have Skittles over there. How do you spell it? It's literally all of the words in the chat right now. Why are you asking that question? just like everyone else is spelling it. Sometimes chat actually amazes me at some of the questions you guys ask. No, capitalization doesn't matter. But if you're unsure, type it once lowercase, type it once uppercase, you know. If you can't spell it, you don't deserve it. Like, why would you think everyone in chat that you're typing into the chat right now, and everyone in chat is typing the word the same way? Why would you ask me how to spell it? This is why you can't pass evaluations and get funded accounts. This right here. This is a piece of evidence number one. The promo code is SCORE1, the number 1 letter Y. SCORE1Y. It's their 1-year anniversary, so it's SCORE1Y is the code word. Humanity is doomed. That's why shampoo came with instructions. If you go live with Lucid, would you? I hear you're about TP2s. I get pro. I usually bully count stay down. I'm not getting 3 pros from R, which I will not blow. I have not gone live with Lucid. I am going to try to go live with them. I need to get rid of some of the accounts I have first. So I'm just gonna trade the accounts I have right now. And once they kind of whittle down, and they will whittle down because it's just the way I trade. I'm gonna trade them aggressively. Some will get passed, some won't. So when they get whittled down, I'm going to go back to Lucid and try to go live with them. Crayons taste really good. No, they don't. Stop it. You're going to give these people in chat horrible ideas tonight. Don't listen to them chat. Crayons do not taste good. Man, Skittles sounds so good. I could run over there and be back in under 2 minutes. Hey, Future Zany. How you doing? Tide Pods are better? No. The markers that smell like fruit? Oh, gosh. Yeah. Neasy Trades, I will ban you from this chat. I will hide you forever if you ever type that again. You know better than this. Drops Trades, you're on the line. Watch it, buddy. This is why we can't have nice things, 100%. Put up the ES chart? Sure, man. What you want to see on the ES? Still holding that yellow line there, buddy. Does anybody else take out all of the yellow Skittles? I don't eat the yellow Skittles. I take them out. I can't do yellow. I'm not a fan of like the lemon candy kind of things. Like if there's ever, you love yellow. Oh, I can't do the yellow. If there's ever a candy that has yellow in it, I take it out. Like yellow sprees, they're gone. Skittles, they're gone. Yellow gummy bears, they're gone. If it's yellow or lemon flavor, it's out. Any other color is great. Oh, the purple bag, the berry flavored Skittles, the purple bag. Yeah, Railroad Life. Same. It's not banana, it's lemon, Mark. It's not. If it was banana, I would eat it. I don't like the lemon flavored. And I feel like there's always more yellow than any other color. It's like they limit all the really good colors and they just stack it with yellow. Always. Lemon is not the best. No, you're wrong. Banana's fine. But I like lemon in like sweet tea. I like to put lemon in my sweet tea. But other than that, I'm not a big lemon guy. Can't do it. I got to take all the lemon ones out. Spree. So, Lady Darb and I, anytime we go on a road trip, hey, look at this. We're about to hit our consistency target on this trade right here. Come on, baby. Pump it. Every time we go on a road trip, we will stop at Buc-ee's. Of course, in Texas, Buc-ee's is the ultimate road trip stop. If you've never been to a Buc-ee's, I feel sorry for you. You don't know what you're missing out on. It's amazing. So I go on a road trip. We go to Buc-ee's. And there's two things that we get at Buc-ee's. We get the cherry sour candies. They're little cherry balls. They have like, I wouldn't say like a hard. They're like a maybe. The inside is soft and squishy, but the outside has like a little candy hardened on it, shell on it, I guess. The cherry sours, oh my God, they are so good. And then we will get Spree, the chewy Spree. Sometimes we'll get the regular original Spree too, the hard ones. And we'll get a Caramello bar. It's the only time we get Spree and Caramello. That's it. We get Spree and Caramello on every road trip if we're driving in Texas. The cherry sours at Buc-ee's are absolutely phenomenal. You've got to get some. They're so good. And then we always get Spree and Caramello, and we split and we chunk out the yellow Sprees. Every time we get to a yellow, we just thumb flip it right out the window. And then Caramello, man. The Caramello it's the only time I eat a candy bar, and I don't know why I don't get them more, but the Caramellos are so good. They're it's like a candy bar that's broken up. It's connected, but it's like 4 or 5 chocolate like squares that are connected, and inside the chocolate like rectangle squares, it's filled with the caramel sauce. Oh, it's so good. You can break them off, and you can each like you don't have to like bite it. You just break off the little squares. Oh, I want a Caramello right now. It's so good. So freaking good. Let's go. Fill me out, baby. We just hit consistency, actually over it by $100 on that eval. TP. That's how we do it. Tickle in the wicks, baby. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. All right. Nice trade. We made back the loss, added another 500 to it, and we hit our 50% consistency on this eval. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's go to another eval that has not met consistency for today. So now I have 3 evals that are halfway to passing, and I'm going to get a 4th one for free. They've already told me that I'm going to get another 50K for free. And I have one 50K that's funded right now. So you got 300 left. Pretty aggressive risk, Goober guy. Only if you think that they weren't going to reset my account if I blew it up. So it was kind of an unethical trade in the sense that had it blown up, they would have reset my account for free. This is the Alpha Futures. It's called Alpha Trader. Yeah, this is the platform that's been super buggy this week. Luckily, I didn't blow the account. Luckily, I just hit 50% consistency on it. So there you go. All right, where are we at? I got 20 more seconds, then we're going to spin the wheel. Alpha Trader won't even let you take a trade right now. I guess maybe they know I'm streaming right now, and they're like, whatever we do, keep the streamers that are trading Alpha Trader, keep their accounts on right now. Maybe that's One of the benefits of being a YouTube streamer that gets 10,000 views a night. maybe they'll take care of my account over yours. Iron Bug. Skittles is the keyword, man. Skittles is the keyword. You totally didn't tell them in our group chat to fix your account first. I bet you totally didn't tell them that. I'll take whatever benefit this job gives me. Don't start with me. Don't you start with me, Keg. Get gone. I'm on the edge right now. I'm gonna start banning you. I know they don't listen. All right. And that's it. No more entries. Stop typing. Will you please listen to me right now? Stop typing. There are no more entries. I've got all the names right here. They're going on the wheel. Boom. They're on the wheel. No more entries. See? This is it. That's all it's getting on the wheel. We're giving away a next gen 25K evaluation right now. I've really enjoyed trading with them. They were, everything from the payout process. KYC is normal. It's the same verify that you would use at every other prop firm that's using it right now. Payout was super smooth. Hit my bank about 5 minutes after I requested it. Let me shuffle it up. Spinning the wheel. Good luck. Straw Hat Joyman. That's an interesting name. And all caps at that. I believe so, Thunder Donkey. I believe the subscription ends once you're funded. If Kyle's listening, he may be able to verify that. Straw Hat Joyman, type something in chat. Make sure you're up to date on the stream. Make sure you click that live button, guys, because if your name comes up and you don't answer in time, you don't win the prize. You can't purchase next gen? Why not? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gone. Sucks for you. Shuffling it up. Reroll. Here we go. Next gen 25K. I have seen the Grumpy Old Men movies. Yeah. Daniel Felipe's Embrano. 5850. Is Brazilian? Are they different numbers in Brazil? They probably are. Straw Hat Joyman, brother, you are so late to the party. Late because of ads? Well, listen, Straw Hat Joyman. If Daniel Felipe Zambrano 5850 does not answer in the next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds or whatever, I'll let you have it. If not here, then I get it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. This guy lost too. But I'm going to give it to Straw Hat because he was here. He was just watching an ad. We're going to give it to Straw Hat. What? Straw Hat Joyman. I'm going to give it to you, all right? You showed up. You were here. And the other guy lost and you didn't. All right? I'm going to put you into the winner's circle. Dan says, Brad, I tagged you on X with my handwritten notes from when I was trading NQ 10 years ago. Oh, sweet. I can't wait to read that. I will definitely go read that. This is a next-gen 25K eval for Straw Hat Joyman. You lucked out, buddy. You lucked out. If he's cheating because he was switching accounts, Slacks will bust him, and he'll get banned. So you don't have to worry about it. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel in Prop Score Discord. You'll need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they'll hook you up with your account. So congratulations, guys. Now for the grand prizes tonight. Tradeify 100K select. We have 5 Tradeify 100K select accounts. We'll do the first one at the bottom of the hour in about 10 more minutes. I don't have ads on YouTube. I got so tired of watching ads on YouTube that I just pay the premium subscription. Because I was like, I never want to see another ad in YouTube ever again. So YouTube Premium is totally worth it. It's like, what, $15 a month? YouTube Premium is the way to go, man. Ad blocker. Does ad blocker stop the ads on YouTube from playing? You got Skittle ticked on your take profit? Do I have medals like Matt? No. So all of them, I was not a math nerd. I was the guy in junior high and high school. Matt and I would not have been friends. I was the jock athlete in high school. Played all the sports. I was, I lettered in basketball 3 out of the 4 years. Starting varsity point guard at Klein Oak High School since my sophomore year. That's a big 5A school here in Texas. Lettered all 3 years, baseball, basketball, So all of my trophies were actual, sport trophies. Not that his trophies weren't, real trophies. I'm just saying, I didn't get medals. I just won team sport trophies. Man, I think I'm going to go get some Skittles. I think I'm going to go get some. I need a sweet treat. Toasty, you got some MVP trophies in basketball? That's cool. I actually could have played basketball in college. I got 2 junior colleges. I had 2 junior colleges approach me and offer me athletic scholarships. So a 2-year full ride at a junior college. I had 2 different junior colleges approach me. But I knew that there was absolutely no way this little 6-foot white guy was ever going to have a future playing basketball. Music was taking over my life by the time I graduated high school, and I knew sports had no future. So I didn't take it. I didn't go. I'm almost 6'1". If I have the right shoes on, I'm 6'1", but just a little over 6 foot. Can't purchase accounts on NextGen. They're the instant funded accounts, Rothlord Joat. Make sure you're purchasing the instant funded account, not the evaluation. The code only works on instant funded. So you're 5'10"? No, I am 6 foot. You're 5'11", forever cursed by the 6 foot gods. Nice. What code? The code is score1y. And if the code's not working, let the prop score guys know. They can reach out to the next gen people and see what's going on. Let me go to X. I want to go see Dan's comments. All right, so here's Dan's comments. Dan journaled in his notebook back when NQ was trading at 5,200. It's trading at 30,154 right now. Dan has been trading since NQ was trading at 5,200 and before. And this is what he wrote in his journal. Markets nearing all-time highs, feelings of despair, missing out on the rally, feeling like my short I might take will fail. And then what else did he say? I can't read that last little bit. Oh, shoot. I closed it out. Dang it. Let me go back. Markets at all-time highs, feelings of despair, missing out on rally, feeling like every short I might take will fail. That's what Dan was writing in his journal, in his notebook, when NQ was trading at 5,200. How can it keep going higher? That's incredible. That's incredible. Those same things are what everyone's feeling right now. It's 100% correct. That is 100% correct. Right now, everyone in the history of trading NQ that has ever shorted the market is wrong. Yeah, the next gen 25K instant accounts, if you use the discount code, is $89. Your wife bought NQ 5015 right before the top. Oh yeah, watching a guitar instructional video and getting an ad right in the middle of your lesson would suck. That's horrible. Brad Beta. I didn't get in any fights in high school. I know that might shock you. I'm a nice guy. I can get along with pretty much anybody. And I'm an introvert. Like, I am not an extrovert. I'm not an outgoing guy. I am not out there trying to win friends and influence people. Like, that's not my vibe. I don't walk into a room and immediately start like networking and meeting people and shaking hands and having small talk. That gives me, I get social anxiety in those situations. I do not like big crowds of people. I've said this before, if there were 800, there's 828 people watching the show right now. If 828 of us were all in the same room right now, and there was music playing and there was a party going and everybody was just walking around, I would be in the furthest corner up against my back up against a wall with a cookie in one hand and my drink in the other hand, hoping no one would come up and talk to me. So I'm just not that guy. Like, I'm not the life of the party. So I have learned what's the word for being a learned extrovert? Is there a word for that? Like an adaptive personality? Like, I know how to be extroverted. I know how to be social. It drains my batteries so fast. I can do it manipulative. That's hilarious. We all have learned personality traits. Adaptivert. I like that word, an adaptivert. Didn't look like an introvert downing that beer. Well, just because I'm an introvert doesn't mean I don't know how to party. If I'm going to be at a party, it's going to be with a small group of friends. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to be hanging out with a few people that I know really well rather than 100 people that I don't know very well at all. So every one of us learns how to adapt in the situations that we're in. So my job, I work at a church, right? So if you don't, I do. I work at a church right now. I'm on stage in front of thousands of people every week. And people think and assume that because I'm very comfortable on stage, because I'm good as a public speaker, because I can communicate well, because I can hold a room, I can sing, I can play, I can do all those things. They think that means because I'm comfortable standing on a stage and talking to thousands of people at a time, or because I'm on a mic right now talking to almost 1,000 people at a time right now, every single night for 4 hours, they assume that in person, one-on-one, like I would be the same guy, and I'm not. An extroverted introvert. Yeah, I guess that would be me. Me and Brad would probably be good friends, but I'm too introverted to try. Yeah, those are some of my best friends. It's a learned behavior. So in ministry, when you're in ministry, literally ministry is about people. I mean, it should be at least. So I have learned that my natural bent to be introverted, you have to learn to step outside of your comfort zone to be with people and to build community and to be vulnerable and honest and transparent and have relationships with people. Like, you've got to put yourself out there. So you have to learn how to become comfortable in an extroverted situation. And so I can do that. I don't like it. Like, my natural bent is not to just hold small talk conversation with people. My batteries and my soul gets filled up when I'm alone and I recharge from being quiet. And extroverts are the complete opposite. Their batteries get full and they get recharged by being around people. I get drained from being around people. And it's not that I'm faking it. Like, I see some people and they're saying, "Oh, well, you're just faking it. You're not being real to yourself." It's not that. Like, I am being real to myself. It's called maturity. Maturity is recognizing, oh, I have to go talk to this person. I have to shake their hand. I have to be able to have a conversation. I have to get to know them. I know you're just messing with me, but there were some other people who were like, "Oh, it's just weird," Like, you have to grow up and you have to go, oh, if I'm going to not just be a lonely idiot the rest of my life, if I'm actually going to know people, I have to go and I have to interact with them. So I can hang out with crowds of people now. I just can only do it for short amount of time. I can hang out with people I don't know for a short amount of time. And then I need to go away and I need to go away and like just be alone. You might not realize you're introverted if drained around people. They're great in social situations, but pay an energy cost for it. Yeah, that's me, man. I can be fine in social situations. Like, it doesn't bother me. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't like, I don't have like a phobia about it. But if we ever do like a prop score or rocket scooter meetup and we're all hanging out, I will enjoy myself and I will get to know you. But just know I'm counting down the minutes to when I can leave and go get in my car and just drive home in silence. So, all right, let's get a keyword up. Let's give away our first Tradeify 100K. 100K, baby. Tradeify 100K Select. The Tradeify Grand Cup Round 2 knockout rounds are going on right now. Keyword, I like it, introvert. Introvert is the keyword. Let's do it. I'm going to go make a run. Don't tell Lady Darb. I think she's watching the show. While y'all are typing that in, I'm going to go make a run. I got to get a sweet treat. I can't stand it anymore. I'll be right back.
This is my manifesto. Esto es para mi rey, mi Dios, el que no me soltó en la oscuridad, guiándome a través de la tormenta, abrazándome y diciéndome que todo va a pasar. Oh my God, en la oscuridad y en la soledad, solo me encomiendo a ti, mi rey, mi Dios y yo. Solamente me queda esperar que tú obres en mí. Estoy perdido en la oscuridad, rodeado de demonios en esta soledad. Necesito tu guía, que me lleves hacia la luz. Yo, Señor, escucha tu voz. Yo seré tu devoto incondicional. Guíame hacia la luz, sácame de la oscuridad, hazme recordar mi humanidad. Lo había perdido alguna vez, pero a tu lado lo recuperé. Mi rey, mi Dios, la luz eterna. Perdóname mis equivocaciones, mi pasado, hazme día a día una buena persona para poder ayudar a los demás. Mi Señor, mi Rey, dame la paz y la tranquilidad que tú solamente puedes darme, mi Señor, mi Dios. Esto es para mi Rey, mi Dios, el que no me soltó en la oscuridad, guiándome a través de la tormenta, abrazándome y diciéndome que todo va a pasar. Ja wiesz, mówią, że już się nie boisz ze mną snuć. No tak mówią głosy, no głosy te z dawnych pieśni. Tak te z głębi, co to podszeptują nam właśnie te. Myślę więc, że teraz to będziesz dla mnie od dzisiaj snujka. No ale ruszamy dalej, bo jutro podobno ma być dzień. Czytam coś.
All right, all right. Had a little adventure. All right, I don't know what happened to my music, but for some reason it just like switched over to some random. Let's get back to the good stuff. All right. Let's spin the wheel and then I'll show you what I got. Let's get rid of all these guys. Grabbing all the users. We're giving away a Tradeify 100K select account right now. Tradeify 100K select. You can stop typing. All the names are on the wheel. Entries are closed right now. Stop typing. All right. Shuffling up 100K select. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Stop typing. Quit it. $40 gaming. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Rigged. I love it. Let me put you in the winner's circle. Tradeify 100K select. Dang, dude, this is such a great account. I'm so happy for you. Guys, remember, you can only win on my stream. You can win once per week, and I do keep track of the winners every single week. So you can only win once per week on my show. We got 4 more to give away tonight. We'll do those like every, we'll do another one. We'll do the next 4 in the next hour. So the top of the next hour, we'll do one like every 15 minutes, starting at the top of the next hour. All right. Congrats. So I went to the Sundries, our little snack room, and they have Skittles. But they didn't just have regular Skittles. They did have regular Skittles. But they also had the wild berry Skittles, which are my favorite. They also had the Skittles Sours. And they also had the Skittles Tropical. How was I supposed to choose? How was I supposed to choose? I couldn't make a decision. So I did what any smart red-blooded American male would do, and we got one of each. I'm going to get in so much trouble. Oh my God. All right. What do we start with? Do we start with the regular? Do we start with the berry? Do we start with the sour? Or do we start with the tropical? I'm going to have Chasing the Rainbow, baby. I went to the shop and Lady Darb met me there. The door was locked with her arms folded in front of the door. Those are not keto. I know. I know. Start sour, then finish with the original, whichever one is lemon. I'm taking all the lemon ones out. You already know this. The lemon ones are going in the trash. I don't think I've ever had the tropical before, so I kind of want to start with the tropical just to see. Because I know the other ones are going to be good. I don't know if these are going to be good. And I'm not going to do the whole bag. I'm just going to try a few of them. So we're going to start with the tropical. Let's see what we got. Oh, instantly, first pour, 1 yellow. Trash. We got 3 oranges and 1 green. Okay, that's not great. Yeah, they're not that good. Let me see what other colors come out. Oh, here's a pink one. Yeah, it's not that great. They're kind of like the flavor is not like pow. Like it doesn't just grab you. And I think the Skittles should just grab you. You know what I mean? All right. Tropical getting set to the side. Now we go to the sour. We're going to go to the Skittles sour. I'm always a fan of sour candy. I like it. Do we even trade, bro? All right, here come the sours. Oh, look, the first 2 out of the bag are yellow. Bad sign. We got an orange. Two more yellow out of the bag. Let's go with the red, a green, and a purple. These are, I forgot how sticky the sour ones are. That's really good. All right. That's enough sour. I can't have too many of these. Real sour. Feel it right back in the back of my jaw. Okay, those are really good. Those are really good. It's crazy how ES could not break through the yellow line at all. And NQ ran right through it and is now coming back to retest. Okay. The sour ones definitely are a tier above the tropical. And now we're on to classic, original, and wild berry. Now, I'll tell you, I can already tell you, I love the wild berry. They're my favorite. The original Skittles are good. The wild berry Skittles, unmatched. Unmatched. If you've never had the wild berry Skittles, go get you some right now. They are very underrated. The first time I had them, I was like, oh my God, Why did I ever want to eat the original when these existed? Once you had these, you're never gonna want to go back to the original. Once you've had the wild berry, you're never want the originals just will never do it for you again. So, opening the wild berry. The best thing about the wild berry, guess what the best thing about the wild berry is? I'm sure you can guess. Somebody tell me, what's the best thing about wild berry? Anybody? No yellow. No yellow. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Oh, they're so good. They're the perfect mixture of sweet candy flavors. Oh, man. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to eat anymore. I'm going to have one more little go. That's all. I haven't even had an entire bag's worth of Skittles. I did buy 4 bags. I'm not going to eat the tropical. I don't like them. I've already determined that. But what I'm going to do, when if that guy that goes to my wife's Pilates class, I think his name is Paul, if he's in here, if you rat me out, I will ban you from this channel. I'm going to hide these Skittles for tomorrow. Do not freaking rat me out. Yellow line long. I mean, it's still very bullish from here. We're retesting the previous day high right now. Do not rat me out. I give you guys free accounts every night. I call out winning trades some nights. I gotta find a spot that she's not gonna look. I could put him over here behind the window curtain because she doesn't look in the window curtain. Oh, but then they'll be in the window, and if she walks past the window, she'll see him. I can't put him there. This office is so small, there's not really very many good hiding spots. I could put him under this. Hide under there. Oh. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, these I'll just put in my bag. Those are hidden for tomorrow. You put them in the Uncrustable? No, she'll check the caps. She checked the caps immediately tonight. You all tried to rat me out tonight, and I didn't even have candy, and she immediately went to the caps to look. I wonder if, dude, if this globe would like come apart, that would be cool. Or like a fake bottom. Maybe I could take the bottom off. Is it hollow? Oh, it's too full. It's too full. I could do the sour ones. The sours could go in here. Stashy stash. Let's go. Let's go. She's watching. I don't think she is. I think she's watching a show. She's watching a show with, she's in the family chat. I don't think any of them are watching the show right now. That's how much my family loves me. None of them are watching the show right now. She'll smell them. She might. She got that fit. She got that fit woman, fit wife radar. Where's that candy? I'm gonna forget they're there. I'm gonna come in like 2 weeks, and there's just gonna be a line of ants going down the wall. Take out the yellow and green ones from the normals, put them under your hat as the decoy so the other ones are safe. Yeah. So I have 2 really good spots right now. The tropical ones I'm keeping out. They're going to go in the trash on my way home back to the apartment. I have Skittles breath. She's going to be in bed. By the time I get back from the stream tonight, she's going to be in bed reading her book. And I'll just be like, oh, babe, I'm going to stay up for a little while. I just need to unwind. You go to sleep. Go in there, brush my teeth. Check the lamp. The lamp, I might have a bottom on it. I might could use the bottom of the lamp too. Oh, it's even better because the bottom peels off and then sticks back on. Oh, and I could get like 2 full bags in there. Oh my gosh. That is brilliant. Because even if she picks it up, it just has the bottom on there. Oh yeah. When you have to go that far, you have a problem. Landlord is watching. Y'all, I have not had sugar. That's the first sugar I've had. And actually, you know what? We had sugar this weekend when it was raining on Saturday. We went down and had sugar. That's why I'm having this right now. It's actually her fault. It's actually her fault. Because Saturday it was just storming, raining. We were watching shows all day, watching movies and shows all day. And we went down to the room, the Sundries room together, and we got camp on Saturday. So it's really her fault that I'm relapsing right now. Skittle Anonymous. It's coming back to retest our yellow line from the top side here. I don't know that I would feel confident taking a long off of that right now. Let me go to ES. What's ES doing? ES rejecting hard off of that yellow line. I think this is, I don't know what this blue, this must have been like an old DDP level from a while back still on that chart. I don't know why that's there. ES is not really moving at all tonight. Moved up off of the open. ES has moved a total of 14 points tonight. In almost 4 hours, we've moved 14 points. Yeah, I need a decoy bag so she thinks she's caught you instead of finding the real stash. See, I knew the D-gens in here. All of you D-gens that have been hiding your weed from your parents. You guys, I know you all in here are full port and trading right now. You guys are my bros that are going to keep me out of trouble. Diabetes. No, honey, that's not candy. I work for the cartel now. I was at the gas station and reminded me of that movie Heavyweights when Ben Stiller from the 90s at Fat Cat. That's so good. Crixel says, hey, Brett, I have some money and I'm trying to get away from Forex and start to trade futures. I will use prop score, but I want to hear if you have a favorite futures prop firm. Yeah, we were talking about this earlier, Crixel. I would say my top 2 favorite futures firms are My Funded Futures and Lucid. They both have great accounts. From a cost perspective, Lucid is cheaper. From a payout perspective, My Funded Futures will be better. You can get more bang for your buck on a payout with My Funded Futures, but I love Lucid. Absolutely love Lucid. So either one of those would be a no-brainer for me. I don't hide my weed. You're smoking it while watching you and making money. Nice. She pays me to rat you out. Do not rat me out. If you rat me out, I will ban you from all future giveaways. Do not rat me out. That's my cassava melon. Don't go in there. Farina, you're in profit? Let's go. Way to go. All right. Top of the hour. Let's do another giveaway. We have 4 more of these 100K select accounts. Let's get a keyword. I saw some good ones, but let's see if there's any other good keywords. Diabetes. Papa Les says diabetes. Check the lamp. Sugar-free candies. Don't snitch. Ooh, don't snitch. That's it. Don't snitch. Don't snitch is the keyword. Type it in. Snitches get stitches. Don't snitch. No narcs. Yeah. Snitches get stitches. Don't you do it. Don't snitch. We're giving away a Tradeify 100K select account right now, guys. What a great stream. I love hanging out here with you guys. You guys are a blast. We always have so much fun on the night shift. It's really an unbeatable trading community. Not only do we trade and we make money, but Connection Idol up here on, I don't know if y'all saw that message or not. We make trades, we make money, we pass evals, we get payouts, and we just have a damn good time. I'm so much happier when I've had sugar. I think everybody is happier after they've had sugar. If sugar is so bad for us, why did God make it?
No one for play. No more surf the blessings every day. Salt in my skin. Sun
Too much of anything is bad. That's true. I don't know if I would say anything. Is too much of money? Is too much of money a bad thing? Is too much of the love of my life a bad thing? I don't think so. Papa Les says, sugar was my first girlfriend's name. She was so bad for me. That's hilarious. Snitches get stitches. Don't you snitch on me tomorrow. We're gonna see where your loyalty lies tomorrow on the stream. We'll find out.
Today's a good day. Prophet set tight, feet up, chilling under moonlight.
I love this song.
No more fear, no
Such a
more
great, fun, happy vibe.
Today's a good day. Today's a good day, me can feel it. Sky so blue, me wanna steal it. The wind in my face, worries fade away. Today's a good day, yeah. Today's a good day. Today's a good day.
Guys, you only need to type it one time. You don't need to type it 10 times. You only get one entry per person. No need to spam it. Don't snitch. I know nothing. I know nothing. I know nothing. 1 entry per person. That's such a fun song. It's like it just like it makes you feel good. Makes you want to smile, bop your head. All right, let me get my wheel of names back up here. Where are we? All right. Copying users in 10 seconds. And then there's no more entries. If somebody snitches onto me tomorrow, I'm not giving any accounts away. Not one account will be given away tomorrow. I'm threatening you. I'm threatening all 796 of you right now. Not one giveaway will happen. Do not rat me out. All right. Let me get rid of all these people. And getting the new people, new list. New list. Bam, bada, bam, bada, bam. All right. Entries are closed. Stop typing. Don't snitch. It's off. Entries are closed. All right, here we go. Spinning the wheel for a Tradeify 100K select account. Good luck. Rocket blocking. Danny Boy 2624. Type something in the chat. He's Irish. Oh, Danny Boy. Danny Boy, where are you? What if Matt snitches? Matt's not watching the show right now. He wouldn't. I don't think Matt would snitch me out anyway. Danny Boy! There you are. I see you. All right. Tradeify 100K select account. Danny Boy, you have been entered into the winner's circle, my friend. Congratulations. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. From there, you'll need to go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they'll hook you up with your account. Good job, good job, good job. All right, we have 3 more. We're not done yet. We still have 3 more accounts to give away. We'll do the next one at 10:15. We'll do the second one at 10:30, and we'll do the last one at 10:45. So we'll do one each of the next 15 minutes until the show ends. We also have 4 boot camps to give away tonight, guys. I didn't even have half of a bag of Skittles combined. I had like 3 of the tropical. I had like 4 of the sours. I did have probably about 10 or so of the wild berry, and I didn't even open the original. So technically, I actually showed quite a bit of restraint tonight. Just remember that. What's up, Lazul? How you doing, man? Welcome in. Dude, when you're on a diet and your wife is like helping you, I do feel a little bad. I feel a smidge irresponsible. Have I peeked at the giveaway sheet for the rest of the week? We felt bad that you were missing a giveaway. What? No, I haven't. Let me look. Oh, damn. Let's go. My giveaway bonanza should start the night before. Hell yeah, dude. That's sick. Guys, tomorrow we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 7 accounts tomorrow to give away. And then Thursday night, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? We have 12 accounts Thursday night? Ow! It's going to be so good. $30K looks cheap, right? You wish you'd bought it $30K. We're already up 140 points off of it. Yeah, man. We have giveaway bonanza. So Matt's doing giveaway bonanza on Friday, and Neon's doing giveaway bonanza on Friday. So Matt has a monster schedule on Friday. He's got how many has he got? He's got like 26 or 27 accounts on Friday. Neon's got like 10 or 11, and then I've got 12. So Thursday night, I'll start it with 12. Then Matt's got like 27 or 28, I don't know. And then Neon's got like 11 or 12. Thursday and Friday is giveaway freaking bonanza. Plus the Lifetime Rocket Scooter platform that he does. He does Rocket Scooter Lifetime platform on Friday as well. What day is today? Today is Tuesday the 26th. So Thursday night will be my big night, and then Friday will be Matt and Neon's giveaway bonanza. Yeah. No, it's just the last day of every month. The last day of every month, we give away all of the accounts that we didn't get to give away in the month. So we've already given away. I mean, next month. I bet we give away 1,000 accounts. I bet we give away over 1,000 accounts next month. Plus all the accounts in Discord, the Prop Score Discord. It's like alimony. You give it all up on the last day of the month. It's something like that. Something like that. Hey, Mouth Hugged, headed to bed. Thank you so much for being here, man. You can go tuck yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow night on the stream. There is the instant funding is an all-in price. There's no activation on the instant funded account because there's no eval to pass. We gave away almost 1,000 this month. Oh my God, that's crazy. We will surely give away over 1,000 accounts next month. It's insane. Drew Wick says, got to do 500 more than past your first eval. Hopefully it can be done. Hey, take it slow. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. If you're this close to passing, only wait for your best setup. If it takes you 2 or 3 more days to do that, then take 2 or 3 more days, especially if it's your first one. Especially if it's your first one and you're that close, just go slow, size down, take those little base hits until you get it. Joseph says, I'm just about done trading tonight, about to lock in 300. You know what we need? You know what we need? Now that I've seen all these people post what they've made tonight, you know what we need? Whip it out, guys. Show me what you got. Smuck Rob past your 25K. Nice.
Show your P&L. Yeah, whip it out. Let's see the P&L. Whip it out. Whip it out. Look at the curve. Let's see that bank account.
700. Nice. 300. 1K. 1661. I'm up 1600 on mine. 1500 on a fresh lucid. Nice. 425 plus 1200. Market Vision down 550. Intraday up 916, 1K on GC. Nice, Eva. Down 900, up 146, flat. 65, no trades. Up nearly 29K on the month. Let's go, Papa Les. 4,500 across 3, nice. 259. 592 on MFF, let's go. $10 to take your first payout on next gen. That's a frustrating number, $10. 550 on 5, let's go. 2K. Christinaya down 103. That's better than being down 1,003. Ryan was saying 250 across 20. Let's go, baby. Down 1,000 a day because the market makers are spying on you. I hate it when they do that. Trading futures all day plus 200. Nice. Blew a 50K last night, but redeemed it tonight. Nice, J-Ham. Way to go. Lubricated down 350 on a 25K TPT. 350 away from a 25K TPT. You guys were like on opposite sides of the trade tonight. TPT 8,000. Let's go. What's up, Palm Tree? How you doing, man? Brian B-Dog up over 2,100 on Ninja Trader, over 300 on 3 funded tonight. Nice, nice. Nice job, guys. Great night trading. Took a loss on the first one, made it all back, and got to our 50% consistency. So now all three of my 50K evals are halfway to passing, and then I have one funded on the Alpha Trader account here. So all three, this one is halfway. This one is now more than halfway. It's actually 100 over. And then this is my new funded account on Alpha Trader that I haven't taken a trade on yet. So 3 evals halfway done and 1 funded account. They're going to give me another 50K premium account for free because their platform has been so janky. They're going to give me another 50K for free. That's what I'm talking about too. So it'd be nice to, they'll give you can have up to 5 accounts with Alpha Futures on these premiums. It'd be cool to get all five of them funded. Because I think you can take out... Can you take out 2K on these? I don't remember the payout on the 50Ks. I think it's 2K or 3K every 5 days. I can't remember. Oh, 917. Yeah, let's do a giveaway. Okay. Next giveaway. Thank you. Thank you for keeping me on track, LSG. Appreciate that. Let's get it. Let's get a new keyword going. Pre-diabetic sugar demon. Whoa. There's some good ones. Yes. Sugar daddy. There it is. All one word, sugar daddy. Type it in. You get 1 entry per person. It's 1 word, no space. No space, all 1 word. Sugar daddy, all 1 word. No space. All 1 word, guys. All 1 word. There's no space. It's 1 word. Why are you putting a space? Stop putting a space. Good Lord. It's 1 word. None of you are getting entered into the drawing because you're not typing it right. This is why you can't pass evaluations. This is why you can't get to payouts, chat. It's one word. What is happening? I don't understand what's happening right now in the chat. It's one word. I don't know why there's some crazy Chinese symbol in front of. Why are you guys putting a space in front of it? And why is there a Chinese symbol in front of the word sugar daddy on all of this? I don't understand what's happening. YouTube is auto-correcting. Maybe it's a bad word. All right, hold on. Let's change the word. Stop typing it. Stop typing. Let's change the word. That's crazy that YouTube is not letting you type it the right way. That's hilarious. Let's go with... we're changing the word. We're changing the word. We're changing the word. Stop typing it. Stop. Let's just go with 100K. Type 100K in the chat. 100K. 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 That's the new word. 100K. That was so weird that YouTube was like, no, you cannot type sugar daddy. And it was putting like some Chinese symbol in front of it. Every one of you. It's so weird. 100K. Oh. Yellow line long, man. Playing out. It's holding up. Little 27-point bump there. Man, look at ES just sitting here. Struggle bus. Look at this. This is the 5-minute chart. That's crazy. Tight range. If you're trading ES tonight, I feel sorry for you. I do. So the bag of the tropicals is still sitting here, not hidden, and I haven't gotten to a trash can yet. I'm giving him a second shot. They're weak. Like, even the flavor profile in them is just not strong. It's like a soft, weak flavor profile. But they are sweet. That's trash. That's trash. Look at that yellow. Freaking yellow. Look, 3 in a row. 4 in a row. Blue. This is why I hate yellows. The tropical, they need to discontinue this line. It's not good. It's not good. Yeah, that's just like, even the aftertaste is like, now I feel like I got to get the other ones out. Get this taste out of my mouth. Oh. All right, how many we got? And 10 more seconds. Sours were good. I like the sours. I love the wild berry. All right. What's the play tonight, John? We already took our winning trade, hit our $1,600 profit target. Copy users. All right, let me get all the names in here. Here we go. Here's the new list. Stop typing. Tradeify 100K select account. Tradeify 100K select. Bam. We're going to draw 2 of them right now since we're already at the bottom of the hour. We'll do 2 of them right here. Divine Bond 775. Congratulations. Type something in chat. Divine Bond. Good job. Thank you for being fast on the draw. Tradeify. Dang, these are such good accounts. I can't believe you guys are getting 100K selects tonight. It's so awesome. Submit. All right. We're going to spin the wheel again. Since we're already at the bottom of the hour, we're going to take Divine out. We'll shuffle it up. We're going to spin one more time. And then we'll do our last one in about 15 minutes. We also have 4 boot camps we have to give away tonight. Day Trader Gurav. Type something in chat. Congratulations. Hey, Brian, have a great night, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. Check song channel. Okay. Day Trader Gurav. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh. Bro, you just skid it in with 1 second to go. Why are people so slow tonight? You just barely made it in, my friend. 100K select. Day Trader Gurav, you have been entered into the winner's circle. You just barely made it. That was close. All right. You two guys need to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they'll hook you up. We have one more 50K Tradeify to give away. 100K. One more 100K tonight. We also have 4 boot camps. If you would like to win a free month access to the Rocket Scooter boot camp, go ahead and type it into the chat right now. Boot camp. Type boot camp into the chat right now. We're giving away 4 of those tonight. 20-day trading education. The live boot camp is going on right now at the end of the New York close. Matt is teaching the live boot camp right now. It's okay if you can't come to that one. It's totally fine. You can watch the previous boot camp. All of the videos are online right now. You can go through it at your own pace. Type it in. I'm going to give you 1 minute to type boot camp, and then we're going to use ChatGPT to pick us 4 winners tonight. You got 20 more seconds. Please choose 4 random names from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. Grabbing all the names. We're doing a quick draw on this one. Oh, there was only one. Daytrader, that's not the right list. That's not the right list. Sorry. That wasn't the list. Here it is. There we go. Tonight's lucky winners are Trader with a Chode. Oh my God! Oh my God! Linda NQ. You sure those were normal Skittles? Water fasting results and the BK dot. I just read what's on the screen. Anchorman. Be careful what you put on the teleprompter. He'll read whatever you put on the teleprompter. I just read what's on the screen. All right, you 4 people. You just won yourself a Rocket Scooter Bootcamp subscription for 1 month. Go to the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. And they'll hook you up. That is freaking hilarious. Hi, I'm Ron Burgundy. Oh, song channel. Yeah. Lucas, let me go check the song channel. What do we got in the song channel? Sir Darb, the Skittles tickler. Why tickle Wicks when you can tickle the taste buds? Top secret snacks. Tickling taste buds since always. I love it. Hide, deny, tickle, repeat. Oh, come on, dude. You're ratting me out on my lamp in the screenshot. What are you hiding now? Shh. Dude, you even got all 4 bags. That's incredible. That's they even got the colors right, everything. That is so... AI is amazing. AI is absolutely amazing. Lady Darb, her face she's got a little work to do. Not quite accurate, but close. Multiple screenshots. No spelling mistakes. I know, that's really good. I like it. BK dot, yeah, just go to Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and they'll hook you up with your boot camp. Posting that on X. Oh, dude. It's insane that you can just... Anybody can just come up with anything graphic designing wise now. It's crazy. Music wise, songwriting, production. It has leveled the playing field in so many ways. You know what song I want to hear? I want to hear this right here. And while we're listening to this last song, let's go ahead. Never underestimate engineered currency devaluation. Yes, sir. Just keep printing money. Just keep printing money. Yeah, no one's creating it themselves. No one's making the claim that we're creating it ourselves. DD bands are... Here's ES levels right there for you. There's ES, and then I'll let you take a screenshot of that. And then I'll give you NQ levels are right here. You can take a screenshot of that. All right. I'm not reading them again, chump. You're not getting me. Got him. You're not getting me. All right. Last call. Type it in. Type it in. Last call. Here we go. Our final 100K Tradeify Select account tonight. It's coming to you. Last call. Let's do it.
This is what it's all about.
And I'm only going to give you guys, I mean, we're going to spin this wheel quick. We're not going to wait long. 2 minutes.
It wasn't pretty, it wasn't fast. There were moments I didn't think I'd last, but every failure taught me how to become the traitor I am now. This is what it's all about. All those nights when
All right, we're spinning the wheel. Last giveaway of the night. You can stop typing. Only 200 of yous got in. Last call is fast. Last call is fast. Shuffling it up. This is your best chance. Tradeify 100K Select. Liz Lecholm, this is what it's all about. It's in my Suno playlist, which you can find a link to my Suno playlist in the description of this video. Shuffling it up, spinning the wheel, Tradeify 100K Select account. The winner is Moon. Moon. Congrats. Type something in the chat. LFG, baby. Let's go. Thank you for being quick on the draw. Let's get you into the winner's circle. Tradeify. 100K select account. These are so good. Guys, if you didn't win and you want to try Tradeify out, you can use code SCORE. I believe they're running a sale right now. Well, 40% off, I think, is the sale they've got going on right now. Congratulations to all you winners. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of the video. Join the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they'll hook you up. Any news on if Matt was able to get the Ninja Trader levels approved? I have not heard. No, sir. Haven't talked to Matt today about that. Haven't heard anything about that. I have talked to him about other things, but not about that. All right. I am not Matt. The reason that we usually let more people enter because, I mean, more people want to have a chance to enter. And it does increase engagement on the channel. The more people that enter and type in the chat, the more the algorithm picks up that the people are being active in the chat at that time. And when the chat is more active, the algorithm will push our channel into other people's feeds, and so, which helps grow the channel. The more the channel grows, the more accounts we get to give away. The more accounts we get to give away, the happier you are. The happier I am. I love giving you guys accounts too. So, wait, you're not Matt? The platform on the screen right here is the Alpha Trader platform from Alpha Futures. It's their own personal platform that they just introduced this week. It has been very, very buggy. So I don't know that I would, if I was going to go get an Alpha Futures account right now, I would definitely choose Tradeivate or Quantower or any of their other platform options besides Alpha Trader right now. Next gen, you can only trade on TradingView through your AMP credentials. They will give you AMP credentials that you log into TradingView with on next gen. Yeah, that's why Matt will announce a giveaway and he'll put the keyword in and then he doesn't roll it he'll let like 600 or 700 or 800 people get in. It's the same way. It's the same thing. It's just like we want to give as many people as possible a chance to enter, because the more you type in and interact in the chat, the better the algorithm picks it up. So it's a win-win for everybody. We're trying to grow the channel, of course. We're trying to get more viewers to come put eyeballs on what we're doing here. And it's kind of a symbiotic relationship. You help us, we help you. The next gen promo code was SCORE1Y. Score the number 1, the letter Y. SCORE1Y. You can get your 70% off instant funded account from Next Gen Pro Trader, SCORE1Y. Yeah, with the discount code, the Next Gen Instant Funded 50K, or any of their accounts, I think their instant funded accounts are now cheaper than the evaluations. If you use SCORE1Y, you can get instant, no evaluation, straight to instant funded. start building your profits into your payout right from day one.
Like you to do everything you wanted to. This is the last time I'll take the blame for the sake of being with you.
Everything has to end. The sacrifice of hiding in the light.
What? I stayed with you.
40,000 more users will barely be able to chat. There's not very many, like even the biggest futures day trading shows, you know, like they might get 3,000 or 4,000 people watching at one time. This isn't even my song. Get back over there. The biggest ones, you know, like a few thousand people will get into the biggest channels. We're making our way there. We're in the top 3 biggest shows in the Asia session right now. We're on our way to being the number 1 most watched show during the Asia session. If I ever stop working full time at my day job, I think I might start the show an hour earlier, right at the Globex Open, and go for 4.5 hours or so instead of just the 3 to 4 we do right now. So maybe that'll happen sometime this year. We'll see. Greg P, you just picked up another next gen account today. Got 2 the other night with their unlimited reset promo. They are running some really good sales. They're trying to really, get some market share. They're cool guys. They are celebrating their 1-year anniversary tomorrow. If you're in their Discord, I think the owners are going to be getting in and giving some community updates and updates about just all of their accounts and that kind of stuff. I think that's happening in their Discord tomorrow. So who do we got to topple to get to the top? In this time slot, Top Step with Dakota, they're still getting 1,500, 2,000 people coming into their stream. But from from other streamers that aren't prop firms, there are other people that stream right near the Globex Open, but they don't stay on for 4 hours like I do. They'll stream for like an hour and a half or 2. And they will get, like, Rips will start right at Globex sometimes, and he'll get 1,500 people in there, 2,000 people in there. But he only streams for about an hour and a half, and then he gets off. All right, guys. Great show tonight. I actually had an absolute blast. An absolute blast tonight. The show was great. Chat was great. Trades were great. Skittles were great. Giveaways were great. There's really nothing to complain about the show tonight. And it's all because you guys are here. How are the giveaways determined in Discord? They do them all kinds of different ways. Sometimes they're Twitter. Sometimes they're just, you have to click a button to join. There's all kinds of different ways. I'm going to be back tomorrow night. We've got a great show planned for you tomorrow night. More incredible giveaways. Check out Matt's show in the morning. Neon will be streaming again in the afternoon to close out the session. If you haven't joined PropScore Discord, you're going to want to get in there. They're going to be doing giveaways all day tomorrow as well. We have giveaway bonanza this week. This is the place to be to win free accounts. There's no one that gives away as many accounts as we do. Not even close. Trader with a Chode was great. Yeah, Trader with a Chode, greatest name so far. Then tonight wins the Handle of the Night award. But I truly do appreciate you. I do not take for granted the position I'm in and the way that you support me and support this show and support the channel. So thank you guys so much. It's time for me to tuck you in, pull up the covers, turn out the lights, wish you sweet dreams of green while we listen to the greatest closing song in history of closing songs. Love you guys. Night shift is clocking out. We'll check you tomorrow.
Screens are off, orders thin, final print.
David Bartow, T for Keeps, 98 SR20, Toasty, Iron Bugs, Lucas Krug, you're tucked. Sleepwalker, JJ Redbird, I Trade Rocket Scooter, you're tucked. Suppa Puppa Dong, Fitz Burns Trades, Moneymaker Aspiration, good night, you're tucked. Wax Grand, GCF Court, you're tucked. Diving in the Deep, good night.
Night shift, clocking out, close the charts, power down.
Shuri, Vivi, Coach Greg, Shaki Brown, Reds, Everyday Dog Training, good night, good night, good night.
Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Gamma, Lubricated Lightning, Dr. DJ 3000, Matt Evans, Paul Rodriguez, have a great night, don't you tell on me. Fab Lab Fusions, Icy Hockey, Eli Trades, PL Strong, Prophet Pilot, Duarte Machado. Good night. Dexter Goes Wild. Brazil Crypto. Evan Stone, Road of the Land. Peace out. Y'all have a great night. You're tough. Rail AR, good night. Dan, have a great night, buddy. Appreciate you. Smook Rock. LWMSGM. Dave Mack, Solo Features Trader. Good night, good night, good night. Chess Crumbs. Croatian Sensation. Marco Polo. Michael Rocco. Ash Biswell. Christopher Hutman, The Prophet Guru, Adam Daz, you guys are tough. Ragu Ramen, 40 Kuya, Rod Trades, GT6408, good night. Sheena Alexis, good night. I Trade Rocket Scooter, God bless. Jay Black, Veronica, It Flies, It Dies. Janice Mendiola, Mom Bucks, you're tucked. Sinister Scalper, Rocky Mountain Trades, Drops, good night. Kimberly C, have a great night. Christy Naya, good night. Marco Musso, good night. Cheryl, good night. T for Keeps, Chump Trader, good night. J-O-Y, Brian B-Dog. MS Bufo, P-Long, Daily Man, good night. Sebastian Tracy, Jeremy Bullitt. Thunder Donkey, have a great night. EFCX, Study and Brews, Slacks, have a great night. You're tucked. Wrong Trade Gym, Forex Meetings,